Welcome back to another live stream. How we doing? Holy CFVI. So if any of you guys held that news flip, you made, I don't know, 500% to 300%. I mean, who held that thing? I got out at right around 100%. I was like, all right, news flip, 100%. I'm done. And now it's up 35% on the day. So congratulations. Oof. Sorry. I literally was rushing around this whole time. I barely made it back. Congratulations to all of you guys that held that. That's pretty wild. Another absolutely dirty trade to start off the week. So, I mean, let's see what happens with CFVI. This thing's kind of nasty over here. We got SPY starting to come up, looking like it wants to do a little 1348 cross here, huh? I don't know. I kind of like it. So let's see what happens with SPY. I think it could get a little bit jumpy if it really wants to going into the end of the day here. So let's check the premium on SPY, just kind of see what's going on. I mean, if SPY does start to get going, you could hit some nice plays on it. So let's see what's going on here. Ooh, I actually like these right here. So let's see. SPY is about to do a nice little 1348 cross here. I might scale in with one here. Ooh, SPY wants to get a little jumpy, huh? Whoa, that was not the one that I wanted. All right, so SPY's looking all right here. Let's see what we have. How's everybody doing? You guys feeling all right? We got AMC trying to make a move back here. Also, for everybody filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm over here. So thank you guys. I appreciate that. Let's see. Let's scale in with this right here. See what's going on. So SPY kind of flickering here, looking like it wants to get a 1348 cross. Just getting it a little early over here. Hold on. My whole stuff is messing up over here. Is YouTube all right? Can you guys see me? Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Welcome back. I went crazy. Took that 1750 put against CFBI. I think I'm crazy. Uh-oh. Hold on. Can you guys see me? YouTube's glitching out here. You guys all right? Can you see me? Can you hear me? What's going on? No, I didn't want Siri. You good? All right. YouTube's just glitching out then, as it tends to do. So I scaled in a little bit on these SPY calls just to kind of maybe get it in a little bit early. We saw this retest of the 200 wants to come up, looking like it wants to do a 1348 cross right here on the 5-minute. CFVI, I mean, that thing's up 30 something. We can see you. That's weird because on my YouTube thing right here, I can't see me, which is fine. I mean, I don't want to see myself while I'm streaming. I can see it on restream, but other than that, nope. I can see you, can't feel you. All right. So SPY looking like it wants to get a little spicy over here, hopefully. Up 75% on the SPY and hoping my coin calls can play out. Good luck, man. Yeah, everybody filtering in right now. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot, especially with freaking YouTube being weird again. I can't see anything. I'd have to refresh it, but I don't really want to do that. Check out Mark. We can do that. Let me see. Yeah, SPY's about to get a nice little cross here. Let's see, because I'm looking at it right up here, 450.78. That's kind of where I'm looking at SPY to go. It looks like it wants to kind of bounce here. So let's see what happens. CFVI, all right. Where's Uber and everything else? I might save the other money just for dude, CBR. I know. Did you hold those CFVIs? That's pretty nuts. That would be nutty if you did. DWAC looking to run again. There we go. Let's see. So SPY pooping. All righty, everybody. So everybody having a good afternoon? You going to Rumble then? Well, no, I'm not going to Rumble. I don't know. It's weird. It just doesn't. It's just not making a whole lot of sense right here. Why I can't see anything. Let's hope Lyft crushes earnings and bring the rideshare market up. Yeah, I mean, if you have Uber calls going into today, that would be a nice thing to see. Sorry, I'm thirsty. Mark. Okay, fine. I'll check Mark. CFVI is coming back up. Remark. Ooh, what's this thing? Little 1348 right here. You get it at 90 up to 98. That's pretty dirty over here. What's going on with this? Any news on this beast? Is that kind of what's going on? This market is exhausting. Well, yeah, but there's a lot of opportunity. Jack goes to Rumble, buy calls. I'm not going to Rumble. SPY being a little a-hole here. Let's see. Hasn't crossed yet on 1348. Looks like it wants to, but we'll see what happens with it. So Remark is just skyrocketing right now. My $58 Wells Fargo calls are back up. There you go. What's SPY? SPY's basically flat on the day here. I don't know. I see SPY running back up, but we'll see what happens. So Amy selling off a little bit here. GME coming back down. I don't know. What's the news on Remark here? I don't see anything right here. Yeah, nothing for a while. Must just be a little volatility spike, huh? So SPY trying to move back up here. Let's see. Why do you track BBIG so often? Is it shorted? Yes, very heavily shorted. Is CFVI coming up? Yeah, it's trying. It's a little flag right here. After this, so I caught it on this candle and just ditched it. I was like, all right, cool, little news play. But if you held it, it just slowly followed this 13 all the way up. That was a dirty trade if you caught that and held it. So congratulations to all of you guys. Supply going into a SPY going into the supply and demand zone. I would love to see it. The other one is like way the hell down here. So it's hugging the upper end of this. I think he could easily run back up into the top of it. So we'll see what happens if the buyers start to come back in, which I think they will. So I'm ready to delete YouTube in favor of Rumble Pursuit. I don't know what the deal is. If you guys can see me, I'm cool with it, but I can't see myself. Weird. Like if I go into the studio part, like on YouTube where you should be able to see yourself, I just black screen. Very weird. You're up $9,000 on fun, Corey, my man. Oh, here comes the SPY. Come on. Oh, CFVI is popping up again. Jesus. All right, what are the? Damn, I had the 1750s at one point today. I had them. So I'm not touching this beast right here. Did more news come out about it that they got Rogan? Spotify shares slip. Well, hold on. What happened to Spotify? Like I had the 160. Yeah, Spotify shares did not slip. They down right back up. This is the Weeble news is nonsense over here. All right, we'll leave CFVI up for a little bit because this thing's getting nutty. Oh my, look at these candles over here. So honestly, with the premiums at holy freaking shit, this thing is going nutty here. So let me check how much cash do I have? Oh, nothing. Absolutely clapped. So I don't know. Actually, I don't have to technically sell it today. It's up 40% today though. I would be careful with it. So SPY looks like it wants to get a little bit jumpy here. Let's see if it happens. Watch CFVI over 18, AMC 1488 right now. Let's get this thing back up over 15. I mean, we were starting the day really hot on Amy, and then it just kind of fizzled out. Let's see. Got Rogan. Is he on the loose? No, he's what do you call it? My put contract is stabbing me in the heart on CFVI. Yeah, Keith, it happens. It happens, buddy. So why'd you get the CFVI put? Just for shits and giggles? All right, GME over here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, this thing wants to get above 18. What's the volume on this thing? 32 million. Pretty gnarly. Pretty gnarly. BBIG to 350 calls. Good luck, buddy. BKKT, new day high. Yeah, there's been a lot of winners and losers today. We hit this CFVI in the okay, show of hands. Who still has the CFVIs from earlier when we got it? Literally the first out of anybody. Like when you think about that, I think I got the news instantly as it came out. That was a little bit lucky that I checked the news feed that quick, but is anybody still holding them? Because that was dirty. Let's see. SPY trying to move here. CFVI doing good. You clownfish? There you go. Malachi, there you go. You still have it? Nas, there you go. AMC Ortex, yeah, we can hit that really quickly. I just want to see who has these CFVIs. There you go, people. Let me refresh this really quick on Amy to get their Ortex. So we got 1.22 million shares returned, 109.88 million estimated short interest, 21.41% estimated short interest, 1.71% average cost to borrow is what we got. Sold it, yeah. 1750 call 318 tiny dancer. There you go. Just sold my 1750 for $3,000 profit, bro. Good job. All right, SPY moving back up here. This could be a good one. Let's see what happens with it. SPY crossing up. Yeah. SPY just crossed here, so it's above the 200. I think SPY can run up here, but let's see what happens with it. I promise to put these gains on AMC or GME. There you go, buddy. You have 218, 2250 calls on CFVI. Yeah. I mean, those are probably up. Everything's up on CFVI today. Like, look at these. The February's are up 700%. These ones that we had earlier are up 5. It's probably a little bit more if you look at it on like the mobile app because my desktop, it just sucks. I don't know why. But these were dirty. I think we got these at 1 something. I sold them for like 235 or something like that. It was pretty gnarly. So SPY moving up here. There we go. Wags, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Yo, VXX. What newsfeed do you subscribe to? I don't subscribe to any news feeds. It's just Twitter accounts. So one of them is Walter Bloomberg. The other one's Fast Stock Market News. SPY coming up here. I like this. Hold on. What are these SPY contracts at? How are they still in the red? Nonsense. All right. So we did get that cross. I could probably take another one of these right here. Buy. Boom. I want one. I'm playing the SPY today, people. We're going to have some fun on SPY. We're going to follow the rules, but we're going to have some fun on SPY. So let's see. Wags, thank you so much for that super, man. That was really generous. SNDL delisting news. Let's see. Let's see. Nothing on the news feed on this, on Weebles, but all right, come on, Spy. Get up there. Nice little cross here. Come on, let's start. Nope, that's not where we want you to start moving, buddy. You won 2K last night at the casino. As we look at Lulu, I know you love it. It's wanted to cross the 13. Oh, on the 5 minute. I don't have any more settled cash for today. I just spent it all on spy calls, but you know, Lulu. Lulu was puts this morning, I think. Yeah, these Lulu puts printed. Oh, here comes the spy. Print, 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 print. Let's go, spy. All right, Amy, what are we looking at over here? So AMC 14.89 down about 3%, 46 cents. Hopefully the spy coming up here will help Amy come back to the upside. We got GME starting to try to come up. We got Lulu. We got a lot of things we're looking at, people. How do you get away with not going to class? I don't. I just deal with it. GME just went green. Did it go green? Yeah, GME just went green. Spy getting some candles here. I like this. I think the buyers are going to push this up to 450, 451. I think that's what's going to happen, but we'll see. Yeah, GME just went green. Remark article back in December said partners with Is Media to launch NFT platform. Oh, that's interesting. That is very interesting that some real estate companies are getting into NFTs. Interesting. Amy popping back up here. Let's see if she can get above 15. Spy's still pushing here. Watch 449.50. These little levels right here. Where is this? Yeah, I don't know. The previous supply and demand zone is just up here. We've seen a lot of resistance up here. So I think Spy could get all the way up here and then come back down if it's going to make this move, which would be pretty sweet. Apple crossing up. Yep. Volume on fun is booming. There you go, Corey. Corey, you've been crushing it, bud, huh? There you go, Corey. 28% on the day. There you go. Spy Max Payne pre-market was 450. Ooh, I like that. Send it to 450. Liquidating my okay. Austin, are we gonna do this again today, buddy? Is this the game that we're gonna play again today? Let's see. All right, Spy flickering around here. All right, GME green, IWM green, AMC deep red. AMC's not deep red. It's down 45 cents, 2.93%. I look at these in terms of like cents now that where we are. Like in terms of how many cents we're down. It's like 45 cents. Okay, cool. You have 1,000 shares. That's $450. Let's see. All right. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Here we go. People, hold on. I got to shoot TMI the link real quick. All right. Where's my tweeter? Need Spy to just go boom. That'd be nice to end the day off on a nice little Spy YOLO trade. All right, this is what I got to do. You guys feeling all right today? Everybody doing okay? Oh, wait, where is this? Right here. Okay, let's see. Spy moving back up here. I like it. Can you check BBIG Ortex? Yes, sir. Al Capone was the first like. Thank you, bud. I appreciate that. Thank you. All righty here. Oh, hold on. Okay, so BBIG Ortex 2.35 million borrowed shares, 5.71 million returned, and we got 26.2% estimated short interest. We got to do one thing though. Yeah, if you guys want to check out the free section of the Discord, I'll pin it to the top of the chat right here. So there you guys go. Do I see AMC falling to 12? It could. I mean, it's possible. Anything is possible. It could also run the crazy numbers automatically. Like, who knows? I'm still very bullish on it. So it doesn't matter if it goes to 12, if it goes to 20, if it goes to 4. I don't care as long as I'm still in it and like I still see the upside in it. So the 13 is about to cross the 200 right now. We could see a little bit of action on the Spy here. Fun coming down a little bit. Watch it test this 13 EMA here before it wants to come back up. Where's CFVI? Yeah, CFVI is good. Dude, that was a nasty trade right there. Is there anything about BlackRock selling? No, BlackRock actually bought according to their most recent 13F or 13G. So if you look at their 13G, it says they own about 42 million shares, but I want to wait and see what their 13F says to see if there's any difference here. Spy, pulling back a little bit here. Let's see what happens. Bing bong. All right, let's see what happens with these SPY contracts here. I'd rather it not come down significantly, and I don't want to get hit on my stop, but I do really want to. I think SPY is going to come up. Now, we do this a lot where it's like, oh, I know SPY is going to go up. Then it head fakes me and then rips. So we're going to try to figure it out today and see what happens. So watch the news, everybody. See what's going on. CFVI. Well, yeah, I called the CFVI. Those were dirty. Neo Cross. Nice. Where's this? Yeah, Neo crossed right here. Looks like it wants to come up above the 200 EMA. That could be good. I mean, SPY could just be pulling back a little bit here. I'm going to leave these for a little bit, see what happens. All toots are buying. Apes are buying. We get on 65% in 2 months somehow. No. All apes are not buying, client. Do you see the people in this chat? I mean, I hate to call them out, but like Austin, I don't think Austin has sold anything, but that's the mindset that people have. And then they just sell their position. Like people have sold. That's like it has happened a lot, and you can't really sugarcoat it. Like, yeah, when the stock is going up, this is not how it should work. But when the stock is going up, people are buying. When the stock is going down, people are selling. That's just how it works. So we need to see that buying pressure come back in. And right now we haven't really seen it yet. SPY is really flickering around right here. This could get a little volatile going into close. Neo coming up here. GME trying to make a little bit of a move. Amy trying to make a little bit of a move as well. So let's see. Let's see. Jackass Forever made 22 million its first weekend. I feel like that's not great. Let's see what happens with SPY here. We got Neo trying to come up. Is it time for CFVI puts? Honestly, I'd wait till tomorrow and the end of the day because it could easily come down, test this 13 EMA, and then rip back up and make a new day high. So watch out. Let's see. The SPYs were 450s, but I mean, they're down a little bit right now. Let's see what happens with them, though. Nice little 1348 cross. Hoping for the, how many XRP do you have? 0. 22 million is good for a Jackass movie. Oh, okay, cool. All right, CFVI trying to make a move here. I personally wouldn't touch CFVI either way right now. If you think it's going to continue to go up, I wouldn't play the options. I would buy shares on it. SPY moving down here. We got Amy doing its thing. Roku about to cross. Interesting. Where's Apple? Apple and Tesla I kind of want to take a look at. Apple. Okay, so Apple rejected off the 200 right now. So we need Apple to get a little bit jumpy to help the SPY come back to life here. Now, what about Tesla? So Tesla over here down again, rejected here. So we need these to start to break to the upside in order to let SPY start to go, or SPY starts to go and we see it drag those two to the upside. CFVI up 34%. Law SV, I think you got out too early again. Now, news. Okay, so here's the thing with the news plays. This is what I do. Typically, I buy more contracts, but the CFVI's chain was already so expensive that I was like, oh, this sucks. Austin, I was referring to your attitude, not what you're doing. I was referring to your attitude. So with the news plays, what you do is you get in, get out really quickly. So if you have multiple contracts, you can make it free and then hold it. So then you have a free news play and you have free CFVI calls. I just had like one contract. I was like, I don't think this is really going to go. If it goes, I'll make a decent amount. But the contracts were expensive to begin with. So I was like, oh, this kind of stinks. And then I just flipped it and got out. And I was like, this is fine. Let's see. All righty, everybody. So SPY flickering around like an a-hole. I'm not even going to look at these contracts. Not even going to look at them yet. So Ford is crossing. Which way? Up. Tesla coming down. That's not great. Oops, that's wrong. Damn it. I hate clicking the wrong thing. This is why I don't trade on my computer, because I click the wrong thing too many times. SPY coming down, testing the 200 right here. Another head fake. I'm calling bullshit, and it's going up. That's what I'm saying. Ford. That's what I want to look at. Ford is crossing up right here. Calling bullshit on this SPY drop here. I miss Chan. Me too. So Ford, yeah, it's got to get above the 200 though. GME coming down, Amy coming down. I think this SPY drop is nonsense here. SPY coming to VWAP. Okay, cool. What's VWAP at right now? What is it? It's got to be like 448.68 or something. What are these at? calling nonsense on this. Calling nonsense. All right. Ford coming down. SPY coming down. Interesting. Bought shares of CFVI on 1.5 for 11.46, up 47%. There you go. SPY just went red. That sucks. It broke VWAP in a move to the 200. It's flickering around the 200 right now. So watch it. I think this little sell candle here is a bunch of fake nonsense to hit stop losses before we go on a run. But who knows? I could be wrong. That's what we saw on Saturday. I mean, not Saturday, Friday. And I was like, this is nonsense. I hate this. And I can't believe I sold too early and took a loss when I would have cranked my account. So we'll see. Let's see. VWAP 489. No. It's coming back up. I think this is bullshit right here. I think it's going to test and then rip. Volume's really low. Am I the only one that's buying today? Maybe, buddy. Maybe. Tesla. I don't know. Let's see. STV, TMI, and Trade need to create a crypto coin? No, we don't. No, we absolutely do not have to do that. That's a good way to have something go wrong and then everybody thinks scammer and then we're done. No, we're not doing that. We just get the chain reaction out of everybody. And that's not what you want. ASTR just plummeted. What's ASTR? Astrospace. Oh, shit. This is news. Halted. That's not what you want. This not what you want right here. This, you would want to flip this around and have it go the other way. New guy. What's up, buddy? How you doing? I'm YOLOing SPY calls right now because I want to feel something inside. And I think this little sell candle here is bullshit, just like last time. So by mistake, there you go. EA just crossed up. EA Sports. It's in the game. All right. So EA is coming up. You get a nice little red-green move there. SPY's moving up here. I'm calling BS on that sell-off. I'm calling BS. Let's see. I keep making money and put it all in AMC. Joel, there you go, buddy. Astra's supposed to launch a rocket today. Probably got canceled. Yeah, or they did launch the rocket and it didn't go well. That's the two things that it could be. So SPY flickering around 449 right here. Stock and rocket, did they? Yeah, that's probably what happened. What was on the screen before EA? I think Tesla. I don't know. Oh, AST was on the screen before EA. ASTR. That's what it was. This thing. Halt. All right. Amy coming down. I don't know. Let's see what happens here. We need a little bit of volume to come in and start sending SPY to the upside. Oh, engine issue? Oh, yeah. It failed and mission aborted. Okay. BKKT breakout. That's been breaking out all day, man. That thing's been going. I know Nas has been crushing it. BKKT. Holy 31% in the green on that thing today. SPY flicker in here, man. I still think that this sell-off right here is nonsense. So we'll see. All righty. Yeah, they aborted the launch. That's not what you want. That would hurt. That would hurt the stock. That would be like if Tesla was like, yes, sorry, we're halting production. But I'm not a fan of BKKT. I don't know what it is. I just look at it and it's like heavily shorted and it just runs like this sometimes and people are just trading it. Some of the things that I trade, I don't even know what they do. I didn't even know what firm did. Like I had an idea and I was like, I don't know, technicals breakout. CFVI, I mean, that's Rumble. That's a good one. Like what else did I trade that I didn't know what it was? I've done it before where I'm just like, I don't know what it is. It's breaking out. It's got good technicals. Run it. You're down $800 total. Literally every 1348 fake out and stops me out. Huh. What are you trading, Hugh? Because that's something you got to think about. Like, what are you trading? CFI ripping anyone? Yeah. Well, we got it earlier. We did. I did this quick. I hit this candle. I hit these two candles right here on the news, and then I sold on this candle before it started to sell off. So it's right around 17 right now. That thing could get gnarly. So SPY, get up there. That's what I need out of you. Go, run. This little sell-off, I know you're trying to fake me out and make me sell. I know that's what you're doing. I'm telling you. I know him. I know the SPY. I'm telling you. I'm just kidding. I have no idea what's going to happen. I just keep selling too early on a lot of things, and I'm fine with taking the risk that I've put into this trade. Apple, AMD are my biggest killers. I have not hit a good one on. Okay, Hugh, when I've called out the AMDs, they've hit 2 for 2, but I've only called it out twice in the last 3 weeks. And both of the AMDs were like, I don't know, Mike V, if you're in here, how are the AMD, like the ones that the end of the day near earnings were dirty. Now it's a little bit weird because the chip makers have been the ones faking out. Same thing with Apple. Apple a couple of weeks ago was absolutely gnarly. Now it's not. I agree. It's a fake out. Thank you, STV Squirrel. There we go. Pop, go SPY, run. That's what I want to see out of you. Oh, here comes CFVI again with some candles. That's a 50-cent candle right there. That's huge. That's day traders coming in and just bidding up the crap out of this thing. So let's see what happens here. Never. I'm holding to my diamond hands bleed. There you go. It's been faking out regularly. Yeah. But Mike V, when it hits, it hits. Amy 1523 incoming. Not a hedge fund. I'd love to see that. Come on, SPY. Go. DraftKings is trucking. Damn. So like Hugh, I've been trading a lot of DraftKings, Uber, Viacom, Discovery. What else? Oil. We've done some of those. You also kind of got to look at where the market is. Like right now, if like a stock was triggering puts, I wouldn't take it because look what the SPY's doing. It's crossing up and bouncing off the 200. I'd be like, no, I probably wouldn't take puts on this because the overall market's going to start pushing everything up. Be careful for head and shoulders. I would say it's inverse. Inverse head and shoulders on the 5-minute. Just heartbroken day after day. It definitely worked. Hugh, you got to kind of find your spot. Like you got to find your spots that you want to attack in. Pen is flying. What did Barstool do? Because that's like, yeah, 1348 cross right here on Pen at around 45 goes to 47. That's dirty. What's going on here? Yeah, that's pretty big. Huh. Pen might have gotten some news here. SPY. Houston outages drive refinery shares higher. See, something happened with Chevron. Dude, those freaking Chevrons, man. Those would have been nasty. AMC, what's going on? 1484 just hanging out, down 50 cents on the day. GME down 66 cents. Let's see. Oh. White Lightning's back in here. No, I specifically don't, but your girl does. I know that one for sure. SPY's coming up here. Pay me. Keith, thank you so much for the super. My CFVI put has me in touch with my inner Kid Griffin, and even got some accelerant and a lighter, ready to lose my money, but this could be bankable. You're gonna have to struggle on that one, buddy. Those CFVI puts, I wouldn't have touched it there because originally, like, you're playing it too soon. It's too soon to get him. The IV is gonna crank. Here comes the SPY. They stop messing around and make Amy run. I'll try, man. Amy Ortex. Yeah, I got you. SPY's starting to come back to life here, and that's exactly what we want to see. Exactly what we want to see. I want these contracts to print. All right. So AMC, they net return of 926,000 shares, estimated short interest 21.46%. So here comes SPY. I told you. I knew it. I freaking knew it. Let's see. What are these contracts at? In the green. Here we go. Well, they could easily go red because they're barely in the green, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. I think SPY is going to get a little jumpy. I think it could test the upper end of this range here. Here we go. DraftKings cross. Yeah. Why is BABA tanking? Because I would say it's a China stock, and those typically don't do well. But like I'm not putting my money ever into BABA. Here's why. It could be the best company in the world, but every once in a while, you're going to see the United States be like, oh, delist China stocks because like you're just going to see like they're not following our accounting standards. Okay, so every 2 months, you're going to see like the stock just get slashed in half by 20%. I don't want to have to deal with that. And then there's also like the actual delisting fears that like they find like somehow they aren't abiding by any accounting standards, and then they're screwed. So I just don't touch any of that stuff. Let's see. DraftKings headed on a moon mission. Damn. Hold on. DraftKings usually does. It's trying, man. It's trying. Stop it. I know this is nope. Up. Stop it. Amy, up. DraftKings up. Everything up. Come on, let's go. Etsy on the run after a 1348. Etsy's usually really expensive to play, but we could. Oh yeah, Etsy from like 137 to 138. That's not terrible. Let's see. Slashed in half by. Did I just say? Did I actually say slashed in half by 20%? Whoops. Facebook, Netflix, Apple, Amazon, all coming up. So SPY comment. I think so. I'll hold these for a while. Apple. Here's the deal. Here's the deal. You want to see the market run? Apple needs to get above this 200 EMA and get a 1348 cross. If not, Apple's gonna struggle. So is the SPY. Keith, what's up, bud? Hedge funds spent millions and threw everything at they didn't spend kind of the Boeing pushing a new day high. Yeah, those were decent. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys. It's costing nothing, helps me out a whole lot, especially shoot, my YouTube figured itself out. Now I can see. Awesome. I mean, I don't know what's going on here, but it's nonsense. So we'll watch Apple and SPY up here for a minute. So bloop 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 bloop.
Oh. I know I beat them. I know I beat them. I know I beat them.
You definitely did. You definitely did. I saw a couple filter in, but you beat most of them.
I literally on the internet just now, I was running like this, like Usain Bolt. And when I got here, I stuck my chest out and just went to the finish line, just really quickly.
There you go.
Finish line. Oh, come on now. Come on now.
I'm calling bullshit on all these SPY red candles. I'm holding these calls. I swear I'm calling bullshit. I did it Friday. I was like, sold it. And then everything ripped. And I'm like, I think it's touching. I think it's going to touch this zone today.
Dude, I jumped into CFVI.
Did you get it after on the next run?
That was I got on the next run. I got out at like 1650. It ran up over, you saw it, went up to 18. I just watched the call options, and it was for me. It was a quick 35% rip.
Yeah,
it was stupid. I was just okay. And mind you, I made off Mara, I made off Tesla. I'm like, this is just an extra one. I lost off the Tesla one. I lost off Mara right before I got into this one. I was just like, that's a bit too much. Jumped to this one. I'm like, beautiful. Watched it run back up to 18. I'm just like, all right, let it go. Let it go. Yeah. But then you see on the way back down now, I'm kind of like, be careful, people.
I know Keith's got puts in here, and I'm like, I don't know if I would do that. Yeah, it's close.
Okay. I would have got puts, but I just didn't want to bet against the stream.
Yeah, I called it. I don't know how I kind of got lucky because I was looking at the news feed. I pulled it up, and like right as I pulled up my phone, the alert came through that was like Joe Rogan CFEI, and I was like, what? Or Rumble. So then I pulled it up, and we got that initial candle, and I was like, oh. News play. So then I just threw a little bit of money at it, and I just took the 100% really quickly on like 2 candles, and I was like, all right, cool. And then it started to sell off. I was like, oh, that was a good one. And then it goes nuclear, and I'm like, all right, well, there we are.
I want to see Joe Rogan's Twitter account. Does he have one?
I think he does. I don't know if he uses it though. He probably shouldn't, especially right now. Everybody's mad at him for some. Everybody's either mad at him or everybody's mad at the people that are mad at him.
Hey man, look, it's your stream. I don't know if you want me to say anything.
You can say whatever you want.
All right. This is what I'll say, right? And mind you, I don't speak for everybody. Okay. I don't speak for everybody. I just speak for myself. There is a certain level of mainstream media, and this is not talking about Joe Rogan at all, right? This is not talking about him at all. So I'm gonna leave him out of this, right? There's a certain level to mainstream media. Corey said, TMI, you're annoying as F. Your girlfriend doesn't think so. So sit there and shut up. So
Corey, you get a timeout for that one.
No, he can show. I'm cool. He can show. So mainstream media likes to play with puppets. They like to play people like puppets, right? Where they always categorize people as certain things to kind of play on the pain or biases of others. And you can just really see things coming into fruition with this one. It's crazy.
Yeah, I think people were calling it last year when they saw him really start to get into like this side of like media, and they were like, they're gonna come for him eventually, and now they're just coming for him.
Oh yeah.
But the problem is that if you cancel him, somebody else is gonna do it. You can't stop him. Like he will do it somewhere else. Like Rumble was like, I'll give you $100 million over 4 years. He's not going to do it. Rumble's not going to get him.
Hold on. Corey's back. He says, bro, you're a virgin playing Xbox every night. That is true. I do call your girlfriend Xbox. That's what I call her. I call her Xbox. Okay.
Corey, don't come for my boy, buddy. I will come at you too.
Speaking about, you know what? That one went too far.
Don't open up in the chat and then come for my boy, because I will make you feel bad.
See, that's what I'm saying. And I told people, I did tell people, you can talk about SDV in here because I can go back, but just don't talk about any other creator, because like other creators don't come in here as often. It's not the same, right? But I'm like, you guys can talk about SDV in here. That's fine, because then I can just do this, or he can come in. But anyways, I think they're really playing it up, and also his numbers are better than everybody. Like, this isn't about if you agree with what he says. Sometimes he says some stuff, I'm just like, bro, what are you saying? But he's just speaking honestly. It's just him, like whatever he feels. It's his freaking YouTube channel. Sometimes I have a YouTube channel. People are like, bro, what are you saying?
Yeah. But he's always just like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm an idiot. You can't take him. You can't be like, he's manipulating everybody. He's like, no, he's not. Like, if you are one of those people that's like, he's doing this on purpose to try to like mess with people's heads, you're in tinfoil land. He's just a dude trying to learn stuff about people.
So my thing is this: I'm not even going to go in that deep, right? Even if he is right, then there should just be like, okay, fine, let's just figure out how to make a solution of this, not just end it. It's like people are going for his neck, and it's like, I don't agree with that either. But I'm just saying they went all the way over here. I'm like, what happened to step 1, 2, 3, 4? Like, come on now.
This spy shit is nonsense. I'm telling you.
Corey said that low attention. Hey man, look, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of respect that. Corey, you should jump into my chat.
Corey's cool.
I feel like he would be.
Nah, Corey's fine.
Is that is Maverick Mike V?
Yeah.
That used to be Mike V all the time.
Yeah, that's Mike V.
Yeah, that's good. All right, I'm gonna get some food. I'll catch you guys in a bit.
All right, have fun, buddy.
Oh yeah, people came from Portnoy. Hey man, look, I'm just saying.
Yeah, he just claps back. He's like, nope, sorry.
Hey, when you get canceled, I'll be there for you. I promise.
Thank you. I'll be there for you too. Unless it's like horrendous. All right, people. Breaking news, VIX to Rumble. No, that's not happening. Well, hold on. If they gave me a Rogan deal, I'd probably go. Just if we're being honest here, if they were like, hey, VIX, I'll give you $100 million over 4 years, I'd be like, sign me up. I'll do whatever you want. Just being honest. I think everybody would do the same thing. All right. For everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. I think we're going to see some action out of SPY. I think Apple's being a little bit of an a-hole right now, not helping us out a whole lot. And SPY is just kind of coming down with it. But we could see these 13 EMA tests. If it does, I mean, it's not going to be the worst thing in the world. I'm going to hold these. I didn't put very much money into it. I don't think that these little sell candles that we're seeing on the SPY are what it's going to do. I think these are little fake out moves going into power hour, and then they're going to let it run up a little bit. That's just my opinion. We've seen it happen so many times. It's equally as likely that it sells off, and this is the day that I'm wrong and I shouldn't have held the contracts. It's very possible. But you guys have seen me so many times. We have literally a person in here called STV's paper-handed SPY calls. Like, come on. I'm going to not paper hand today. It's going to be all right. If we hit the SPYs, I'll play Chegg. If I don't hit the SPYs, I won't play Chegg. That's kind of how we're going to do it. But puts on CFVI. There you go. Short the Rogan. Dude, you really should stream on Rumble too. I probably should. I just don't know how to do it. So I need an Xbox right now. Okay. Just about $34 puts for Uber. Yeah, you can play. Okay, so Lyft is after hours tomorrow. So SPY bouncing right off the 13 EMA. Apple bouncing right off this 25 EMA. I can't. Oh my God. Let's see. SPY calls are playing with my emotions. Exactly. And I'm not going to let it. Like, this is not how I'm going to do things over here. I'm just going to let it ride. Letting it ride. All right, Amy, 1481 over here. Apple coming down a little tiny bit. Let's see what happens with the market going into CFVI Patrol Assemble. All right, what's going on with CFVI? What's going on? Nah, wait for it to. I would say if it gets a nice break below the 13 and approaches this 25 at 1620, then you could start to think about it. But right now, I don't know. Yeah, CFVI is bouncing off the 13 EMAs at VWAP. Ooh, on SPY. Or on CFVI, Apple double bottom at 172.15. I think we're going to see a little action going into close, but I don't know. Who knows? Here we go. Bouncing up again. Like, come on. This is just bullshit with the SPY. It's toying with you. They're just screwing with you, trying not to let your calls print. And I'm not going to let them screw me over. Put patrol. Just wanted folks to share the misery with me. Keith, no. Stop it. AMC 1483 over here. GME kind of flickering around, doing its thing. Check out Ford. Wasn't that still below the 200? Yeah. Ford coming down to the 13. Everything's kind of touching their 13s right now. That's a terrible thing to say. SPY bouncing up a little bit. All right. SV triggers a squeeze with his $100 million move to Rumble. I would just throw it at it. I would throw like 50 million at it. No, I probably at whatever half of the after-tax money, I would just throw at AMC in just one block order. Just hit it at the ask. Is there any valid reason why Webull holds your deposit for 5 business days? It's just how long it takes the transaction to settle. So SPY wants to. I just think it wants to. I just think it wants to go here. It's in my heart. I know. I just think it's just. Don't do this. This is a YOLO, but we'll see what happens. We haven't traded SPY in a while, so half 20%. I mean, I don't know what the tax rate would be, but it would suck, I think. Okay. Oh, shoot. All right. SPY, 449.02. I need 450, but in like the next hour. That's what I need over here. SPY 10-minute cross. Ooh, did it? What about 30-minute? Wants to do it on the 30-minute too. It's close. It's close to coming up. What about the 1 hour? 1 hour is going to be a little wonky. 1 hour is all right. Okay. Let's see what we got over here. SPY's bouncing up a little tiny bit. Alrighty. Ooh, Mass Gang. What's up, people? Told you last week Joey Rogan was going to Rumble. Well, I probably said no. I just think I don't think he can with his Spotify deal. Maybe he can. That would be dirty for Rumble if they got him. BBIG waking up. Interesting. Sort of. Not really. It's coming up a little bit with the market, but let's see what happens. TD Ameritrade is 4 business days. I swear it used to be 3. I think Webull's 4. I'm pretty sure Webull's 4. Pretty sure. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, you guys are doing solid on the lights today. Thank you guys. Appreciate that. Nonsense. That's what the SPY's doing right here. A bunch of freaking nonsense. I want to just go whoop, right up. BBIG popping up a little bit here. That's not terrible. YouTube won't let me like your stream. It will undo my like. Bro, YouTube is being such an a-hole today to me. That's so weird. Go CFVI. Floop. That's what I want out of SPY. A floop. Where's Apple? Need Apple to get over the... Damn, Apple. We need you over the 200 to let SPY go on a moon mission. Rant or sing? We need you, Vix, for Power Hour. Let me let it go? Maybe. That's why he's going to Rumble. No. No. If they gave me like $10 million, which they would never do, I would go. Like... I'm just being honest. Let's see. Down 35% in 2 weeks at 1348, but I returned selling order. Interesting. I don't know how I'm up. I've only had 1 red day with it in like 3 weeks. Oh, I have no idea how much Matt got to go to Rumble. No idea. SPY coming up. Here we go. If I was him, I would have taken equity. I would have gotten half of it in equity. But I don't know. I have no idea. Is that your YouTube salary? 10 million? No. Exxon testing highs again. Bro, 10 million? Are you crazy? Now getting slapped with 1348. Well, here's the thing. You have to be very, very careful in choppy markets like this. Like this is just chop up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. You got to be very, very, very careful. You got to pick your plays. Like if you're just going to be like willy-nilly throw stuff at 1348, well, you have to understand what the market's doing. Right now, if I were getting put signals, I probably wouldn't trade right now. So you have to know what the market is doing in general. To Apple selling off here. What the actual shit, Apple? You are not helping here. You are supposed to help. Where's Tesla? Tesla doing the same thing. That's not ideal, but let's see. If AMZ goes above 20 today, I'll reveal my Instagram so you can all come at me. There you go. Can you check VIAC? Yeah. Apple, Tesla selling off here for no reason. So let's see what happens here. Wow. Tesla's selling off hard. VIAC. Solid on this little run here. 33.6. Yeah, that's a good one here. So let's see. SPY's holding right here. Let's see what happens. AMC very strong. Every day go down. Well, no, but it's been struggling recently. I'm not seeing any plays right now. 3 monitors, 18 windows of stocks, 2 windows of work, email, and test. The AR guy, that's crazy. That's crazy. Bradley, no. VIAC coming down, testing the 13. SPY's probably going to pop up here a little bit. HCMC Ortex? Yeah, you could. If they got that lawsuit approved, they were going to explode. That was a YOLO one. Do you think some of these big sell-offs are forced liquidations? It could be. It's very possible. So SPY bouncing up here a little bit. Bradley, stop. Let's see. Ooh, Shannon, you're going to be getting that green bowl soon. Here, hit the like, folks, says La Flama Blanca. Thank you. AMC new high incoming by March 8th. Corey, I'd love to see it, bud. Here comes the SPY. Come on. How much are these contracts now? They probably suck. Ooh. No fun. Oh, here we go. Here we go, SPY. Come on. Come on. Go on your run now. That's what we need to see out of you. VIAC really ripping right now. New high on Viacom. No cross, but this is getting a little jumpy. So let's see what happens here. SPY, watch it above 450. If it starts to break out above 450, or so 449.50, that's what I meant. And then watch 450. So, and then the level up here is basically 451. So VIAC is getting up there. That's a decent one over here. Strangle on Uber for Wednesday? No. I'm going to wait to see what happens with Lyft. You can play Uber and Lyft on Lyft's earnings. Oh, come on. Come on, SPY. Do it. Do it. Go. Down 1.2% on SPY calls right now. Come on. 450 breakout. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. Get off your Batuses and let's go. VIAC coming up. SPY. Let's go. All right. Amy coming up here a little bit. 1487. Come on. Can we get a Lou candle? I would love that. DraftKings made a DraftKings. Yeah, but it didn't. This would be a decent level to take it at, right? Bouncing off the 25. But we'll see. So SPY kind of flickering here on this nice little green candle. We need another one to just send it up. I'm here to yell at the screen and chew bubble gum, and I'm all out of gum. Dude, facts. That's what we're doing here. CFVI about to rip faces off. Is it coming back up? Yeah, CFVI, I would not play this thing to the downside right now. I would play it maybe tomorrow, but I'm not touching this thing now. I would say CFVI has some room to fall. If Joe Rogan responds and is like, hey, blah, 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 consider it, CFVI is going to go nuts. So SPY's at 449.40 right now. I need that higher. Crypto helping the market today? It could. It easily could. Oh, my God. This dog is so big. He's huge. I haven't seen him in a while, and he's a gigantic animal. All right, SPY. Disney crossing. See, I like Disney this week just for their earnings coming up. So maybe SPY, that was the retest of VWAP with a confirmation candle. Thank you. Appreciate that. Joe Rogan already responded. Oh, what'd he say? Oh, is that why it ripped the second time? Interesting. Okay, so that could have been the reason why it continued to rip up. Doge is up big. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, SHIB was up a lot. I bet everything's up a lot in the crypto market. I need to get more into crypto. Verizon crossing. I've hit Verizon a lot, too. I think we had 2 days in a row where we hit Verizon. Nah, below the 200. When's Disney's earnings? Wednesday or Thursday after close? Let me look. Wednesday after close. Same day as Uber. So SPY looking all right here. I need this thing to go boom. So Verizon is coming up here a little bit. BBIG on watch. What do we got? It needs to get above the what do you call it? The 200. What was Joe Rogan's response? Well, I don't know. People said Joe Rogan already responded, and I don't know what he said. How many days until Taco Tuesday? 1. Then we'll get Taco Tuesday tomorrow. Okay. So Amy kind of chilling out over here. BBIG trying to make a little bit of a move up here. GME 101.85. Spy, I need you to get a nice solid giant green candle right here. Mass Gang, what's up, buddy? How you doing? I think Net got priced in already. It rocketed this morning. I thought Snap got priced in with Facebook, and then it just didn't. So earnings is all about this season. Oh, here comes Spy. Is all about just staying alive. He probably said, really? I don't know. So if anybody knows, let me know, but I don't know. I don't know what he said. So Spy, another test of 449.50 right here. I think we're going to get a little push up to these levels. That's why I'm holding these contracts. I'm not just like YOLOing like a complete idiot here, even though I'm sometimes YOLOing like a complete idiot. I thought you said you weren't good at counting between days. Dude, if I know it's Monday, then I'm good to go. It's Monday. Yeah, it's Monday. Spy, the struggle is real. Yeah, Viac, new day high. Damn, we didn't catch. Well, Viac wasn't a cross, but that's still a nice rip here. So Viac is making new day highs. I like, where's Disca? Disca might have crossed today. I just didn't see it. No, Disca's not coming up. So Spy doing all right. GME's trying to get a little pop here. Come on. Let's see. BBIG almost had a 3-minute cross, but remember it's still below the 200. Exactly. We need that 200. YOLO Brigade checking in. Yeah, that's me. So these are down a little bit right now. Lulu crossed on the 5 and is approaching the breach of the 200 on calls. Lulu will be expensive. High risk, high reward, though. Yeah, Lulu can just go nutso. CFVI about to blow. Rogan responded saying he likes your ankles. Oh, cool. Awesome. Thanks. Yeah. CFVI 18 again. Watch 1820. If it crosses 1820, this thing's going to go crazy. CFVI. Yeah, I see it right here. Spy moving here. Another test of 450. I stayed in Viac when you bailed last week, learning a lot. Yeah. See, I just was flipping them. So, but Ryan, thank you so much for the super chat, buddy. I appreciate that. Oh, Grandpa Barney, I think you sent one too that I missed. Chegg Strangle, or what are your thoughts? All right, let's take a look at Chegg really quickly. It's going to be pricing in a lot, but it can move big. So let me pull both up really quickly. What's the price? Oh, this is stupidly expensive. This is pricing in like 16%. I'm not touching this. See, I say that, and then it can just rip. So I'm not going to play Chegg, but it's not the worst. It could move. So, oh, that's not, yeah, I know what the tweet is. Ho, what's up, DePaul? How you doing, buddy? Spy about to cross up on the 30-minute. Ooh, yeah, it is. That's trying here. It's trying. On the 1 hour, it wants it too. 1 hour is close. It's just not doing what it needs to be doing right now. It's coming down to test the 13 again like a freaking a-hole. Is Apple purchasing Peloton? Well, we don't know yet. I think the rumors are circulating about that. DWAC running. Is it going? Is it cross? Did it pass 100 yet? It's approaching. Got like $4 left to go. Buyers are stepping up on DWAC. Yeah, DWAC is ripping right now. So it is it's up 14% on the day. Let's see. Spy coming back up here a little bit. BP earnings. I mean, with oil, it could be all right. When's BP? Is that today? Yeah, DWAC is pumping right here. 96.07. Matt's duck suspenders. I know you've been in that thing. Good for you, buddy. Spy trying to make its way back up here. I'm calling fakeness on these little drops. I think going into power hour, we're going to see a nice little rip on the Spy. Let's see. CFVI Ortex short interest was 4.5. Whoa, interesting. Let's see. Gonna buy 10 STV hoodies. Got to keep the rich richer in these difficult times. Dude, you know how much I made on the merch sales last year? I think $100. Like, fuck off. Check Lyft. Is it running? It's not doing a whole lot here. Spy's trying. Lyft kind of bounced. There was no cross today. Uber, there was a cross. I think I took it this morning and just got out flat. Yeah, crossed here, started to run up. Those were decent, and then I just sold it. So the Ubers were all right. We want free t-shirts. I don't know. You guys wanted merch and I just couldn't. I never got around to it. For a dance. What? Let's see. Come on, Spy. Get up here. We need to break this level of like 449.63 and then just run. Your stream has grown since then? Hoodies only. Okay, fine. We all know your main income is from your OnlyFans. The ORF. You're right, buddy. You're right. You got me on that one. All right, let's see what we got here. On where do we want? Where do we CFVI? Yeah, wants to get that 18 test again. Let's see if it happens. What is dark pool regulations? I don't know if they've done anything, or if anything they're going to do is really going to help us in the short term. All right, am I playing CLF? What's CLF again? Cleveland Cliffs? I have no idea what this is. Raw materials and iron? Probably not, no. Up 50% on lift. There you go, buddy. Breaking news. SUV, latest member of the Shark Tank after impressive merch sales revenue. That's funny. I like that. All right. What do you guys want top right? Iron ore? Yeah. Or that's not going to... SUV new high? I mean, not SUV. CFA new high? Yeah, nice call out. There you go, buddy. You have that sweet ankle money? Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot. You guys are doing all right on it today. There we go. What a day. Yeah, I mean, it's been a crazy day. CFVI was the winner for me today. I mean, I took it off at 100%, which was still good. You want ankle in the top right? Meta? Don't call it meta. Sens? How's Sens doing? Oh, I did. Oh, hold on. CFVI is back above 18. If it breaks 18.20, Facebook sucks. It's just a sell-off after its earnings. It's just terrible. Spy, you just are struggling right here. Let's see. AMC just broke above on the 1 minute. Yeah, not on the 5, though. All right, hold on. CFVI is looking for that new high over here. And then I'll switch it to Sens. New high on CFVI. Oh, Keith. Uh-oh, Keith. Uh-oh, Keith. Uh-oh. Watch it hit 20. It might go to 20. Uh-oh. Oh, no. You said meta? Yeah, I did. It's not meta. They can try to rebrand them, but I think their rebranding is stupid. Go, Spy. Go. Come on. Dang, I sold CFVI at 17.54. Trey's mustache. You hit Oxy today, though, too. Facebook puts go burr. Dude, I made like $1,300 on the Facebook earnings. I did put like $90-something into the $94 into the trade and came out with $1,300. That was absolutely disgusting. Can you check the Ortex on fun? Yeah. Funware. What do we got? 99% utilization, 8.75% shorted. 12.27% average cost. Oh, Spy. Here we go. Come on now. What are these up right now? They're still red. This is bullshit. 60% on DWAC calls. There you go. But the theta is crushing me on Spy right now. I need it to go. Do you buy in the money or at the money calls? I bought slightly out of the money calls on Spy. I think it can do it, though. I think we're going to be good on it. I don't know. I like the Spy stuff. I think it runs into the end of the day today. We'll see what happens. I think it's going to go. If it doesn't, and I can lose a little bit. Is anyone playing Peloton earnings? I'm not. When's it? Today or tomorrow? Peloton's tomorrow after close. We can look at it tomorrow. I don't know. Here we go, Spy. 450. Run it. CFVI calls. I already did it. You took take my 120 on CFVI and it keeps ripping, of course. Yeah, but it's a news flip. So you got to be very, very careful with what you're going to do. Oh, fuck yeah, Spy. I told you. You're up 1% on the Spy. Well, I'm up 7%, and I'm really happy that I just diamond-handed the shit out of these so far. So far, I'm really happy with it. Just ditch Spy calls, 22% profit. Yeah, so Spy's coming up now. I like it. We're up about 6%. Kind of sad, but you know. Let's see. Here we go. So Amy's popping up, about to get above 15. GME's coming up. Spy. Here we go. We're above 450 now. Contracts in the money. There we go. 15% on Spy. AMC popping. Yep, SPY's really ripping everything up here. This is going to get gnarly, I think. So I think SPY is going to come up to this level here. If it breaks up to here, I'm going to sell some of these and then done. Did I go daily or weekly? Daily. Now that AMD, yeah, AMD would, oh, SPY. I told you, bro. I told you. Sorry, I just feel really good about diamond handing these SPY calls for like the first time ever. It's not even a big gain at all. It's a tiny gain. 21% on these SPY calls right now, but I'm really happy that I just diamond handed them so far. So we'll see what happens. There's still time for me to paper hand them. Still a lot of time. Don't worry. I can still paper hand it. Good call. Thank you. AMD going up 25% on SPY. What am I up? 14%. Dang. So watch, we'll see. Sens is coming up a little. Amy tried to get above 50. Where's Apple? Did Apple get above that 200 EMA yet? Yep, it's testing it right here, trying to come up. Here we go. There's always time to paper hand it. Exactly. There's always time for me to paper hand my SPY options. Up 34% on the SPY call. Thanks. You're welcome, buddy. You're welcome. So let's see what happens here. SPY's kind of flickering right around 450. What the hell was that? My dog's just sleeping over here. I'm probably annoying him with all these SPY call outs, but you know, we should teach him to trade some options, huh? Good stuff, SCV. Anytime, buddy. My family owns a winery. I'm happy to send you a bottle of wine. Retails for $132. Oh, I would definitely take a bottle of wine if you got some. My brother's a big wine guy. IRNT moving too. Theta on paper hands is through the roof. Yeah. All right. So SPY flicker in here. I think we're going to run to that green level up here. If we do, I'll be out of most of them. When dog. Let me see if I can get him up. Bodie, up. Come here. Here he comes. Come here, buddy. Come here, bud. Here he is. All right. He's struggling over here. Come here. All right. Hold on. Let me see. When dog. Here's dog. Ready? Come here. Come here. Look at this dog right here. He's just huge. See him? Come here. Come here. Oh, here he is. Oh, I can't get him on the screen. He's very difficult to maneuver around because he's just so big. All right, everybody. What's going on with SPY? Coming down a little bit here. So Apple needs to get above this 200 right here and start to run. If Apple gets that 1348 and starts breaking out, that could be good for SPY. But SPY selling off a little bit here. Long on dog. He's not a puppy. He's no. He's massive. Let's see. Now you're crowding my space. You're just being weird now. Let's see. Surprising me, DWAC has been able to hold its gain so well in the last 2 to 3 months. It just runs up and then sells off randomly. I bet your dog wouldn't have played the CFVI SPY put today. Nah, I don't think so. Apple dog? No. What are you doing? Are you trying to get under my desk? Let's see. All right, people. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. SPY cooling off a little bit before I think it's going to make that next leg up. Throw it in reverse, buddy. You can go this way. Just throw it in reverse. All righty. All right. DWAC was under 20 a few months ago. Yeah. Okay. SPY trying to get back above 450. I mean, yeah. Verizon jumped the gun. Yeah. Well, hold on. Didn't it go? It probably should have ran with the SPY a little bit. Nah, it didn't go. It's just hanging right around the 13. Let's see. You're breathing loud. Let's see. Holy inverse head and shoulder Apple on the 4 hour. I mean, SPY's kind of going right here. All right, SPY back to 450, 450.02. Need a little bit more out of that one. Bro, how you do it to get so tall? I'm a giant. I'm not that tall. I'm only 6'2". I'm not that tall. SPY coming up here. Here we go. Watch that new. That's not a day high, though. If it comes back to the previous day high, I'd be thrilled. So Amy getting knocked down a little bit here. Verizon just kind of hanging out. GME went into the green, though. That's pretty solid. CFVI is ripping again. Oh, boy. I think my dog thinks I'm talking to him, and that's why he's not leaving. Yeah, CFVI, new day highs over here. Yeah, Keith. Stop loss, buddy. Stop loss. Alrighty. Snap thoughts for the week. I think it's gonna be kind of volatile. All right, new candle on the SPY here. Chilling right around. Ooh, come on, get a little buyers here, huh? Couple of buyers, send this thing to the freaking moon. Ooh, it's struggling. It's trying over here. What are these contracts up? 15%. We need more. My son's 6'2" and he's only 15. That's pretty insane. All right, so we're hitting these SPY calls right now. I like this. Here it comes. There we go. 23% on SPY. Please tell your dog he's a good boy. Yeah, I do. He went to go lay down. He's had enough of me. You bought more AMC? Nathan, there you go. All right, so Amy right now, 1492, just kind of hanging out. SPY's making new highs, or not new highs, but like new highs for my contract. 25% on SPY. 1348 didn't be good today. 140% on IWM. Yeah, guys, if you want to learn the strategy, make sure you guys check out the free part of the Discord. Learn the strategy before you start, before you consider paying for premium. Premium is just kind of going to turbocharge your trading. You can see the market from a broader perspective. You get alerts on like 300 to 350 stocks in the market. SPY's moving up here. This is good. So watch it come up into this range right here. This could be nasty on the SPY. So we are up. I mean, I'm up 27% on these right now. Not bad. All right, Amy, come on, Amy, get a little pop above 15. CFVI's chilling here again. SPY's looking decent right here. I like this. I think the momentum on the SPY says it's going to come back up. 451. That's what I think on SPY today. You would have made like 10K if you held. What'd you get though? Like 100% on yours? You were taller than everyone in grade 8, and I didn't want to be really tall, so I started smoking to stunt my growth. So dumb, but I'm 6 foot. Rands, that's still solid, buddy. You're up there. 1,000 AMC shares club official. There you go. I told you if sell goes up, freaking SPY. Yeah. That's why I knew I didn't want to sell it down here, because I've seen this so many times. Just like I sell here and then it just goes boom. And then I get pissed at myself that I could have made a lot of money. So 23% on these SPY calls right now. I think it's got more life left in it. Let's see. CFVI. Did Apple get above that 200 yet? Yep. Here comes Apple. If Apple starts to get jumpy, this could be a gnarly SPY move coming to the upside. You would have been up 80%. Ooh. SPY can make it to 455 this week. I agree it can. I'm playing the dailies on this, so I'm worried about the next hour and couple of minutes. The supply zone range, it's really at 451, but it got messed up. So this says 450.82. I mean, it's respected it today, which is weird, but that's kind of where it is. It's like 450.80 to like 451 is like the resistance level. If it shoots up into there, that would be pretty sweet. Up 87% on the SPY. Nice. If I'm right, dead on 1571 end of the day for AMC ankles. No, I need 451 at least on SPY. I would love a 451. 451 would be sweet. Cinemark ripping, make it make sense. You can't. It just doesn't. All right. These are, wow. That little sell-off in the SPY went from 25% in the green to 4% in the green. How can you sell your calls and get filled right away? You just go to the ask. Or the bid, sorry. You had to step away, but I heard something on PLTN. I did not see that. Lyft takeoff. I mean, Lyft has earnings. Lyft has earnings tomorrow after hours. So we could play the run up. Is Apple buying? Oh, Peloton. Oh, Nepal. There's a rumor that they are. There's a rumor that Apple is going to try and buy Peloton. I don't think it's confirmed yet, though. So be careful. Let's see here. Yeah, for everybody filtering in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. I'm YOLOing these SPY calls. Hope it makes sense. My YOLO puts are printing on it. All right. Well, Disney crossing. Disney earnings this week. I do like Disney. Yeah, Disney is crossing up here. Where's Apple? Did it hold? Did Apple hold? No. Damn, man. I need Apple to just start going. Max pain for AMC this week. I've actually seen it at 18. That's where I saw it. Have you heard the new rule about no more dark pools? Can somebody send me that? I don't know if that's true. Let's see. Do I take my gains and strangle Chegg? Chegg is pricing in a ridiculous amount of a percent. I'm not touching it. Let's see. SPY flickering around again. I mean, it's done this a couple of times. It's like test, 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 rip. So I'm going to hold these for a little while longer, see what happens. If your SPY calls make money, then does it make sense? Sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't make any sense. Well, let's see here. Alrighty. Even if news says that's true, it will not be true. On what? Here comes SPY again. Come on, Amy. Above 15. Let's go. Robinhood is launching international trading for crypto. I would not go near that with a 10-foot pole. No more dark. Yeah. But what's the? Can somebody shoot me the filing or something on Twitter? I just haven't seen it. SPY official cross on the 30. That's good. Yeah, SPY crossed on the 30. I think we're going to see a test of the lower end of this range today. I just do. That's what I see. When does transparency take place? This new rule, I mean, we're going to go over it again because it got hyped up and it was a lot of nonsense if you actually read it. It's 5% of the way I think we need to go in order to get actual market transparency. It's this new rule coming out, this first one. It's not going to be the big one. FINRA 2119 and the 10B something is a good one, but it's just the first step. It isn't like the one rule that's going to come in and blow the top off of everything. Why can't I get filled on Webull? On what? Here comes SPY. %15% of the green. It's effective today and on the Fed register. I think they still have to vote. I don't want anybody thinking that a rule is going to come in and just be like, yep, this is going to, no. Like yep, this rule squeeze. Nah, it's not how it works. People may say that, but you can't listen to that because that's just nonsense. Using the 1348 strategy, do you suggest holding any calls until the next day? If you're playing on the 5-minute, I would say no, because that's not really what it's telling you to do. But if you're playing the 4-hour, yeah, it's meant to go for a longer period of time. No, it says effective today. No, that's fine if it's effective today, but is it going to do anything? That new rule that they were talking about was literally if hedge funds are failing, from what I heard from Gensler, report it to the SEC. And there was like there was something else small in there. It might be that reporting of, all right, here comes SPY testing that new, more recent high. IWM new day high. There we go. It's just not, it rule equals BOAS. No, you got to get that out of your head that a rule is going to come in and cause a squeeze. Here comes SPY making more recent highs over here. I like it. Up 31% on these SPY calls. Here we go. How about we just make money on the market and then we throw it back into AMC and that we do that instead of being like the rule is going to squeeze. No. Had to sell my SPY calls on Robinhood. They stopped letting you trade daily at 3 p.m. Well, you have 15 more minutes. You still have a little bit more time. Trust me, bro. Yeah. Apple calls. Is Apple coming up? Yep. Apple above the 200 again. I want a closing candle above it though. We got 2 minutes. So if Apple can stay above here for 2 minutes and then close above, that'd be pretty sweet. Hedge funds have to spend more because of inflation just like us. Yeah, sort of. The cost to borrow on some things might actually step up though, which is interesting. So SPY looking good here. Apple trying to make a little bit of a move here. I like this. I like it. Come on now. 120% on the SPY, and my coin calls are finally looking decent. Just broke major resistance. Ty, love that, dude. Good for you. VIAC still going? All right. I kind of want to. I want to wait another minute to see if this Apple candle can close above the 200. If it does, I think SPY is gonna rip. Snap. Is it going? I think Apple just got a little pop here. Snap with a big candle over here. I think SPY is gonna get a big one. Hey, was on my phone. My GME alerts are going crazy. What's up with that? What kind of alerts do you have set up? Did you talk about CFVI? Well, we hit a 100% play just instantly when the news came out, which was pretty sweet. But Yeah, I mean, it's pretty interesting what they're doing. They might get Rogan, they might not get Rogan. I don't know how Rogan's deal is set up, but I mean, I flipped those contracts in and out really quick. 220% on my share gaming call. There you go. Been out all day. Finally had to go back to work. Anything cool on Amy Ortex? Not really. SPY broke pre-market high. Ooh, that's good. 450.50 would be good. That would be a good thing. All right, so SPY's coming up to the high here. These are up 30%. I like that. Did you make any more money on the second run? So I actually bought more contracts. I think they were at 1750 too. And then it started to flicker around and I was like, I don't like this. I don't want to chase it again. So I just sold them. So no, I didn't. I think I got out for a tiny loss, $5-10 loss on it. SPY flickering here. Let's see what happens with her. Qualcomm looks like it's going to cross soon, but still under the 200. Yeah. Wait, I've never done dailies. I don't know what TD sell time is. SPY. A-hole. All right, Apple. So let's see if this candle closed over. Yeah, it did. So it might use this as support and then start to go back up. That would be pretty sweet. Check DK. What's DK? DK looks good. No, cross in the morning. That's not terrible. CFVI just broke down through the 13. ETH, you might be all right, buddy. Yeah, it did. Watch it at this 25 MA. So CFVI is coming down. SPY started to move down a little bit here. Oh, DraftKings. Unless you caught the bottom. All right, SPY moving down a little bit here. Donkey Kong? Yeah, that one. All right, people. Come on, SPY. Get up there. That's what we need to see. I want to drink some Hedgie here. Can I tell you what happened to Astra Space? From what I heard, they stopped the launch because there was like an engine malfunction. So that's not ideal. I think the next candle on the SPY is going to rip it. Let's see, though. I think CFVI will bounce around 1709. We'll see. Yeah, I mean, we'll see on that one. How puts our CFVI on the 18th? We'll go down by then, methinks. It could. It easily could. You've been saying DWAC and CFVI going to boom. Well, yeah, where's DWAC now? Did it cross 100 yet? Nah. I mean, DWAC, it got that nice little pop. Didn't really continue it, though. Check out the run on IMAX. Yeah, I don't even want to look. Fuck that. Most likely once the AMC hit 15 to piss us off. That's fine. I mean, 14.95. DWAC coming. SPY hanging around 415.18. What are these contracts at right now? They're only up 10%. Disca approaching across. Interesting. All right, Fade is starting to come and get these SPY contracts here. So that's not fun. 400% on CFVI calls. There you go, buddy. Got my AMC average, 24.96. Now, love these cheap blue light specials. There you go, bud. Made 50% earlier today on your CFVI call than holding the bigger contract overnight on Robinhood because I'm out of trades. Good luck, bud. Good luck. Let's see. Francisco, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Hi, why is 2 Zillows A and C? How does it work? Zillow, let me look. There's Z and ZG. So what's this one? Hold on. So this is ZG. What's Z? I don't know. Anybody know? Like warrants or something, or like preferred? One of them's preferred, maybe one of them's not. So voting rights, I think. Francisco, it's probably voting rights. We've seen this question pop up a couple of times. So I think it's got to do with voting. Fucking SPY is toying with me right now. CFVI, what's going on here? Coming down to that 25. SPY just hanging out here. Z is Zillow. Then there's ZG. Class A and comment. That's what I was thinking too. Back up to 20% on what? SPY contracts flat right now. That's nonsense. I hate that. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't think you don't think you get voting rights. Yeah, that's what it has to do with. It has to do with voting rights. So SPY 450. Damn, man. This is so unfortunate. Apple crossed and Tesla's looking like it wants to. SPY going to rip off the 30 EMA. Yeah. Where's Apple? Apple crossed. Apple crossed and came down below the 200. SPY getting hit now. Tesla. It's around the 200, but it is crossing. Selling off now. SPY coming down. This is bullshit. Hold them. I'm going to hold them. Took the Apple trade, but I guess I'm not touching Apple. I'm trying to get Apple to go up just so my SPY calls just rip. TMI would tell you to take the money. Right. But I also didn't put very much in, and I always paper hand SPY calls. Always. So these are probably down. Yeah. I mean, they're only down 8% right now. So we'll see what happens with them. I think a nice little bounce off the 13 will send it right up into the range I wanted in. Yo, smash that like, you people. My name isn't Justin Frozen Peas and Meat Juice. Thanks, bud. I appreciate that. Yeah, SPY back up here. Let's see what happens. So Amy, 14.94, down about 42 cents, 2.7%. We got GME bouncing off its 13. Let's see what happens with SPY over here. Let's go. Apple. Is it going? Cinemark is now $1 more than AMC. Well, AMC's got like 9 billion more in market cap. Apple pop off this. Nice. Come on, SPY. Another tweet about Joe Rogan from CFVI. Are they pumping right now? This is crazy. Wicking off the 50 EMA on the 1 minute. Yeah, they're up I'm up like no money right here. 1.81%. When's Apple earnings? A couple weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, I think, was Apple. Let's see. Bounce 1 cent above my stop. Dude, that's clutch. Right around 450 on SPY. So Max Pain is 450. So we got to watch out. That's what somebody said. They said Max Pain on SPY was 450. So they might pin it right here. What do you think happens to the share price of AMC if they do offer a dividend? Eventually, we would probably skyrocket. Ford. All right, CFVI is coming down now. Keith, you might hit those puts, buddy. You might hit those puts. All right, so Ford looks like it wants to get above this 200 here. SPY looks like it wants to pop, but who knows? I'm also biased because I really want SPY to move. Ford, it did get this little cross back here, looking to get above the 200 EMA. Amy, 14.94 still, just kind of hanging around. You said the Max Pain. They might pin it here. Joe Rogan said in an October video circulating that I'm not on Rumble, but I certainly would be. Ooh. Look at MGM go. No actionable cross today on it, but it is up 3%. So solid on that one. Wait, is Lou battling Ape Father right now? Because that's freaking hilarious if that's going on. I would die laughing. Watch that. CNK market cap 1.9 billion to get. Okay, so it's not 9 billion more. I was pretty much close though. Puts on what? I don't have puts on anything right now. I mean, puts on CFVI maybe if you want to take the risk, but yeah, theta on these SPYs is going to start eating me alive in a minute. I mean, I'm up 0.6. Just kidding. Peloton crossing up. Mike G. Yeah, Peloton crossing up here. This could get a little nutty. I mean, what are the premiums like on it? Not good. Expensive. Very expensive over there. I'm going to play the BP earnings. IV isn't that high. When's BP? Is it today? If BP's today, I'll price it in for you. It's coming up here. 33. That's not bad. BP is not terrible. It's not the best, but it's not bad on earnings. Especially with oil doing what it's doing, it could be all right. All right, SPYs just... This could turn into like a little hammer candle right here. We got 1 minute left on this SPY candle. Then it'll come up. New candle. Hopefully this next candle just hits and it rips. If it comes down, I might ditch these SPY calls. I mean, I'm up 3.6% on these SPY calls. This is drunk. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. We got Amy starting to come up a little bit here. It's at 14.94.93 still. SPY's flickering here. Let's see what happens. Took 100% on my VIAC. There you go. Come on, SPY, do something. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Just do something. Preferably up. The open interest on the forward $20 call, 218 is crazy. There it goes. Another nonsense candle. So let's see. BP. SPY getting hit here. Matic ripped. Good for you, man. Who said this dark pool stuff, that dark pools are not allowed tomorrow? Because there's no way that they're banning dark pools. Because they have a big role in our market in keeping volatility at bay. Not that way, SPY. Well, this way. This way I'm cool with. So let me check Twitter really quick to see if somebody sent me this filing. Yeah, nobody sent it to me yet. So I don't know. I want the filing on the dark pools. If they're going to restrict them in a certain way, cool. They're not going to ban them, though. Boss Blunts did. They're not banning dark pools. Because then you have to do block trades on the market. They're never going to want that to happen. Just, if somebody's got a filing, just send it to me. I'll look at it right now. Gary said that there's 90 to 95% of the trading happens off exchange. All right. Up about 5% on SPY calls. ATS whenever. Yeah, no. ATS. Well, dark pools are No, dark pools are ATS. You're right. Sometimes I mix them up in my head. Let's see. BKKT, new day high. There you go. There you go. All right, SPY moving up here. AMC, 1494. Really just staying pretty flat. We need some candles on the SPY to really help us out. I still think it's going to rip up into this range. This is the way, SPY. Yeah, exactly. Go. What are these up now? 13%. Nice. Come on. Now they're up 8%. They're so volatile right now. So volatile. Yeah, they're not banning dark pools, guys. IWM down, AMC down, IWM up, AMC down. Happens. Oh, come on. Come on. Big candle here. Boom. Big candle. Come on. Isn't that a bullish buildup for SPY? That's what I think. It looks like it wants to come up. If this 5-minute MACD crosses down, I'm out. I'm not playing around. BP still coming up. Where did Oxy end up? Oxy coming back to life here a little bit. That's not terrible. Bought 10 puts at the 1250 strike on CFVI when it topped out at 1852 at 40. I fell down to 160 and lost $5 a contract. How does that happen? IV. Exxon. Is Exxon going? Yeah. Oh, Exxon getting a move here. Oil starting to come up. What about Chevron? CVX? CVX. So Exxon was the winner today out of all the oil plays. That's the problem. Like, we've played a couple of these oil trades, but it'll be like Oxy will be the winner one day, or CVX was the winner earlier, Chevron, but now it's Exxon right now is the leader coming up. Apple went green. Hold on. Is Apple coming up? Yeah, Chevron's coming up. Oil probably making a move here a little bit. So Apple, it needs to be above this 200 for SPY to really get going. So we got this 1348 cross. It's just banging its head on the top of this 200. So SPY trying here. Let's see what happens though. Let's see. XOM call still printing. There you go. All oil is long term. Yes, but you can flip the fucking SPY. You can flip the oil like Exxon and 3M cross. Interesting. Let's see. Just got the green light at work to go heavy in AMC. But hey, you said the new regs don't exist, so I told my boss to kick rocks. So you're saying because I said something, you are going to make an investment decision based off of that at your own investment firm. I would literally short every single thing that you guys have touched if you're listening to what I say and basing your investment decisions off of that with my opinion on rule changes. Like, come on. That's nonsense. All right, SPY flickering around over here. You sent me a DM on Twitter. Are you banning dark pools? Okay, cool. Notice the filing effective. Pros will change bench rule. Yeah, okay, so it's ARCA. What's the link though to it? According to FINRA, Prudu would effective the rule would make sure you can halt the use of QRS trading algorithm payment for order flow, but keeping them in check by Gensler. Interesting. All right. Small orders. Interesting. Okay, so hold on. This is a Reddit post. Let's Spy. What are you doing? That sucks. Okay, there's no link though. There's no links to any of this. Which rule is it? Wait, maybe the link's in here somewhere. Nope. Let me go back to the other one. All right. Bye-bye, Spy. You know what? Hold on. Hold on. Hold your horses. No, I think this is bullshit. I'm calling bullshit on this Spy move. Here we go. They're dumping it. Bouncing off 450. No. Yeah, it's trying. It's trying. Yeah, nonsense. There we go. Hold it. I am. This is hurting me right now. This is usually where I would just ditch these contracts. And this is hurting me. This is hurting. All right. It's looking like the next leg up might really be in March for the next earnings. It could be. It's very possible that it could be. That one hurt. That little Spy drop hurt my soul. This is not following the rules at all, by the way. This is me YOLOing and trying to diamond hand these Spy calls until the end of the day because I think that it's going to come up. There's nothing telling me it's going to. I just think 5-minute MACD looks like it's crossing down. Remember what I said? If it crosses down, I probably should get out. What are these at right now? Probably dead. Like these contracts are getting assaulted right now. Down 18%, 16%. Anything crossing? No, let's go diamond hands. Look at this. Look at this. Look at these candles. They are trying to get me to sell. They are trying to get me out of these Spy contracts, and I am not going to let them. Sorry. Get out, says William. William, you're one of those market makers trying to get me out and hit my stop loss. Not going to happen. Trust your paper-handed gut? No, I'm not going to. CFVI put starting to print. There you go. All right. This is BS. No, this is a crap Spy move. Every single time. No, Spy, I'm disagreeing with you. AMC approaching 15 right here. Here we go. Come on, Spy. Tons of action on the 542. On what? That was such nonsense. Did you see that drop and just rip back up? Here comes the run candle for the Spy. Dude, I'm holding this. I am holding this. Sell so we can rip? No. I'm not. I do this for you guys every single day, and I want in on the action this time. Sorry. AMC $14.99 here, trying to get above. Ooh, Apple Pop. Come on, Spy. Come on, Spy. Get out at even. If you lose this time, you'll never do it again. No, because I always paper hand the Spy calls. Oh, AMC 15. Things are starting to move. Come on, Spy. I meant 452 Spy calls. Yeah. It's what do you call it? It's trying. I mean, the max pain, I believe, is 450. I haven't seen it though. So that's just what somebody said earlier. We need SCV to hate paper hand so Spy pops. No, Jason, not going to happen. Sorry. What's TLT doing? Oh, good call there. Not a hedge fund. But coming up, TLT and Spy have kind of been linking together though. So we'll see what happens. Don't sell. You have puts on TMI's box has puts on the Spy. We're going to battle this one out. Battle of 450. We'll go down. No, this is not a battle of 450. I want AMC 1502 getting some action here. GME coming back up 102.43. TLT coming down. Spy, get up there. Can you talk about shares borrowed against AMC and GME today? Yeah. Let's take a look. So AMC over here. 81.45% utilization, 1.72% average cost borrow, 881 shares returned, 21.47% estimated short interest on this thing. And then, all right, sorry, I had to look at Spy. I'm a Spy crackhead right now. I'm so tired too. I need sleep. And I'm not going to get it. I know I'm not. I'm just going to be miserable. All this school and bro, a shell of a human being at this point. Utilization on GME 86.42, 19.86% estimated short interest, 4% average cost to borrow. Not bad. SPY, it's coming back. It's coming back. All right, guys. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream too, just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. I'm YOLO in these SPY calls right now. Come on. What are these up? 12.5% right now. Come on. AMC getting Lou candles. Oh, baby. Here we go. Down 24 cents. Let's see if we can push green. SPY is looking for that run into the range that I wanted. And finally, GME is getting some candles here. TLT selling off. Come on, SPY. Do your thing. Get up there. Sens is ripping. There you go. Hold on. I'll pull up Sens really quickly too. Did they get it? Oh, Sens is curling right here. Little parabolic move. Come on, SPY. Do your thing. Cross this previous high that we've seen at 450.47. That's what we want to see out of you. He diamond handed that dip. Dude, it's a new VIX right here. I'm telling you, I'm trying to, a born again streamer right here. Watch this just blow up in my face. And we just get a giant liquidation rug pull candle on the SPY. That would suck. IWM ripping. I think SPY is going to keep, I'm telling you, I think the SPY is going to touch this box. I've said it since here. I think it's going to touch the box. I said it in the morning too. Remember when we saw this cross down, I was like, okay, I think what we're going to see is it comes down and then it rips back up going into the end of the day into the box. Let's see if I'm right. I don't know, but I'm holding these SPY calls, put my money where my mouth is. So GME is coming up a little bit here. SPY. This is fun. 2 days until we get our 2-week-old short interest data. Woohoo. Yep. All right. What are these up now? They're up 3%. Oh, stressful. Stressful over here. It's not even that. It's barely any money. I just want to diamond hand it. Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Yes, I'm actually up 1% on my CFVI put. I'm rich. There you go. Woo. Loose. Amy trying. Sens is trying. SPY. Oh, come on. I want this one. Even if it's not, dude, me too. Fishing in the box is best. Bro, Gage. Chill. Relax. Peloton ripping. Peloton did get that cross. SPY, stop trying to fake me out. Stop. I've had enough of your bullshit. Just go into the box, let me sell, and then you can do whatever you want. With this nonsense that you're doing here with these BS 20-cent candles, I don't like it. Was the box line? It's like 450.80. It should be 451. It just got messed up. We got 53 minutes left. Ah, man. How will stocks react to inflation data? When's that coming out? If it's good inflation data, then we're good. Man, did everything just trade sideways today? Yeah, it did. So, IWM crossed up on the 1 hour. SPY probably did too. What are these at now? Damn it, they're down 3%. Yeah, SPY's looking like it wants to cross up on the 1 hour too. 30-minute, it definitely crossed. 5-minute, it's definitely crossed. Today was a rough day. Up 22% on my CFVI puts. You must have top tick that thing, man. Jeez. Amy 1508 right here. We got Sens trying to make a move. GME, red candle. SPY coming down to test the 13. Look at this. It's going to do it again. It's going to do this freaking wick tail again. Look at this. This is bullshit. Thursday morning inflation data. There you go. So close to my stop. Screw it. See what happens. This is not what you're supposed to be doing, like at all. There she goes. Nah, she's bouncing off the 13. I just need like some time left in the day. So these, oh my God, now they're, this is nonsense. What are these at right now? They're down 4%. Come on. Not selling it. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Hold on. Sens. Where did we have Sens today? This cross? No, this. I think it was this one. I don't know. I was in and out of Sens at some point today. Are you playing BP? Earnings prices for next week options don't look bad. Is it today? Is BP today? All right. Did my SPYs just go green? Green on the SPY. Hugh, thank you so much for the super. Can you tell me how I would set up the stochastic indicator to help me with my 1348 trades? Discord's using it, but I don't understand how to read or utilize it. Hugh, we could go over that now, or go into the mandatory watch videos. It's in one of those. I think it would take me too long to explain it here, the whole strategy behind it. But Gabe goes over it very, very well in one of his videos as to why he does that and how he uses it. Look at this. We got another nonsense fishtail thing. You know what this looks like? You know when you're walking in the woods and you see those, I think they're called cattails? That's what these SPY candles look like here. Sens is ripping. Sens is up about 9%. But Hugh, yeah, definitely go check out that video. It's definitely in one of those videos. It's all good, man. I didn't see it in there. I'll go check. Thanks again. Anytime, Hugh. Oh, SPY's getting my heart rate up today. I think it's gonna 110% on what's in the box. My SPY gains. Now I'm down 1.81%. Oh, man. Sens. GME trying to pop. SPY just flicker in here. Forbidden corn dogs. Oh boy, is Jim in here? 110% on Sens and 100% on DWAC, and I'm out. So glad I figured this out. My account is starting to look green again. Crypto. Oh, atta boy. I want to hit this SPY trade. What I learned today from SCV with regards to 1348, YOLO into SPY calls and yell at my PC and hope it goes up. Yes, exactly. Don't do that. This is just the one day. I had no more settled cash in my account, and it's a one day. It's like a daily, and I was like, all right, well, I typically paper hand SPY, and I called this at the beginning of the day. So if it does it, I kind of want to be able to have money and put my money where my mouth is, because I called this back here when it was crossing down and flickering down here. I was like, it's probably just going to rip up into the end of the day. And then it did. So we got that right here on this cross, one of these, and then it hit down here, and I was like, oh shit. And then it came back up here. I was like, oh, I'm a genius. Then it came back down here, and I was like, oh shit. And then it came back up here, and I was like, this is great. And then it did this, and I was like, oh, I hate this so much. And now we're having a decent time here. So let's see what happens. Yeah, this was a little YOLO, but let's see what happens on it. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. There we boom. I mean, I'm up 20, 26%, 20, 30% on these. Oh, is it going to go into the box? Is it going? Is it going? Come on. Come on. Get into the box. Just go. I want to be right. I want to be right. Come on. Come on. Get up there. Get up there, SPY. Come on. Everybody hit. Oh, rockets and basketballs. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's so close. It's so close. 36% on SPY. Come on. I might take this here. That's a decent gain. I kind of want to take it. Hold on. Oh, they're up $93. Come on. I mean, it's not that much. I just want a little bit of profit at the end of the day. 33%. Come on. Come on. Just go. Ah, it's getting walked back down. Amy, 1507. Here we go. Sens is trying to come back up. Jimmy with a nice little candle here. Here it goes. Here it goes. Woo! Take it? No. Sell so at Rockets? No. Stop it. I'll sell two of them. I'll sell two of them right now. How about that? Is that going to make you guys happy? I'll sell two of them. All right. I got filled. How the hell did it fill me there? Oh, look. Now it rips. I hate you guys. I still have one, though. Haha. I still have one. Now they're up 46%. I sold two. Now it's ripping into the box. I am not selling this one. This one's getting diamond handed. Thanks, SCV. You're welcome. I sold two. Right as I sell it, it hits the box. This is funny. This is great. I'm having lots of fun over here. Cash balance looking good. I got another 20. I mean, these last ones are up 25%. Let's see. You give into peer pressure. Yeah, peer pressure is the best kind of pressure. Sometimes. That's SCV quote. Peer pressure is the best pressure. Here it comes back into the box. She's going. Come on. Come on. Dude, this is fun. I'm having so much fun with this. It's stressful as hell, but like, not really. I just like, it's just playing with my heart. Like, look at this. Look at this nonsense that we had to deal with to get all the way up here. You can't call Rockets and basketballs that help your poor decisions. How is that a poor decision? I was up 40%. Now I'm up 37% on this last SPY contract. I can take this whenever I want. Apple resisting the 200 EMA. Is it? Or is it coming up? No, Apple's perfect now. This is good. SPY, get into the box. Let's go. BBIG, nice candle into close. It's fun and I have nothing at stake. Good job. Thank you. I appreciate that. STV turned and stressed. Yes, here we go. What are these at right now? 46%. Dude, we rode these when we should not, or I rode them when I should not have. And now it's coming back. So I was right on the SPY today. You got lucky? No, that was a nice 1348 cross. If you watch SPY doing this enough times, it just does it all the time. Like, look at this. It's done these box tests so many times. So now we're getting into the previous box. It's like up here a little bit. So it's still looking like it wants to get into the box a little. These are up 45% right here. AMC wants to go up. Beer pressure. All right, that's fine. 1509 on AMC. SPY's trying to get back into this box here. If it gets this closing candle in the next minute within this box, I would say watch out above on everything. Let's see. Cash out of my SPY 451s at 66. There you go. All right. SPY moving back up here. These contracts are up 59%. Boom. Bing bong. Wait, what? Forced liquidation warning? Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh, I have 28 minutes. Or no, it'll sell it at. Okay. So I have a little bit of time on this. All right. Retesting the lower end of this box right here. Let's see if it rips back up. I swear if it liquidates me, I'm going to be very upset. Whew. AMC crossing 1348 on the 5-minute. Yeah, it looks like it wants to. Still below the 200 though. We're down 29 cents. SPY, it's flickering in and out of this box right now. What do we got? Apple chilling. How are you defining those supply and demand zones? I just look at the choppy price action that we've seen in the past, or the V's. So like, look, right here, there's a V. Right here, there's a V. Right here, there's a big chop, 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 rips up. There used to be another one, I think. I don't know where it is, though. They get messed up sometimes. I got to extend them and fix them up a little bit. SPY moving back down here. What is the box? No. It's just supply and demand zones. It's just like where it's just where big institutions like come in, the zones. So it's like support and resistance, but there's zones where it chops around. So you could look at it in terms of like support and resistance, and it bounces off your level and then just chops. If you have these zones up here, it gives you like a price range where like, okay, if it breaks out of here, most likely you're going to see some booms. But looking good right now on SPY. Finally. What big earnings are due? After hours today, just Chegg, really, I think. Sold CFVI for a 43% gain. Boom. There you go, buddy. Oh, man. This is crazy today. AMC Max Pain is 18. That's what I've seen, too. I've seen it at 18. It'll probably change tomorrow with the call and put buying today, but we'll see. SPY. Okay. So we got 3 more minutes left on this candle. Let's see what happens with it. SPY's going to dump. You know what, SCV Squirrel? I hate when you say this because typically you're right. I'm up 38% on these and I kind of want to take it, but I also think it could just run. I'm really kind of YOLOing today on these and it's worked out so far. Why stop now, right? Made 36% off CFVI slapping the ass on the news this morning stream. Thanks, SCV, a YouTuber. Anytime, buddy. I'm glad it worked out for you. I think I got those at, I think it was close to 100%. It was like 90%, something like that. It was solid. And then the SPYs are just some icing on the cake with the last little bit of settled cash. So, whew. All right. Come on, SPY. Little candle here. Little candle, huh? 1507 on AMC right now. Apple just kind of screwing around. Go crypto. Yeah, crypto's is Oxy going? Was that an oil pump that we just saw? Oxy running up here a little bit. There you go. If you're hitting Oxy again, I can't, every single time I screw it up. BP earnings before open tomorrow. Ooh, I typically don't like before open earnings. I will do it on Twitter, but I typically don't like those. CFVI offering Joe Rogan 100 million, market cap 600 million. Pretty sure this will run more if they land him. Yes, it definitely would. Okay. Actually, here's what I want to do. SPY, what are you doing? What you doing? Uh-oh. Back out of the box. All right. We have 42 minutes left. I feel like I should ditch this SPY call. But I also kind of want to hold it just for shits and giggles. Today was a $6,000 gain trading with you. Attaboy, Preston. That's fucking awesome. That's great. Oh, man, that was awesome, dude. Yeah, we hit, I mean, today wasn't even that good of a day. Like, we hit the CFVI really quick. We were on that right away. But that's awesome. Everybody's saying hold. Screw it. I'll hold it. Up 25%. Screw it. Screw it. Tomorrow inflation numbers. I don't know. I'll take a look. I'll throw it in the Discord tonight when I get time. Actually, we'll be doing a stream tonight for the Discord at 9. So if you guys are in the premium Discord, watch out for that link. It's a private live stream for all the Discord members. So yeah, if you guys do want to be a part of that with me, Gabe, and TMI, The link to the free part is up top. Dude, these SPY calls are a serious game changer. You hit a good one on them? I mean, mine are only up like 27% right now. Like, not bad, not great, but like, I already kind of took a lot of the money back and made it free. So I think, I don't know. SPY moving down. See, I don't want to sell it on this because then I feel like a paper-handed little, you know what. Amy popping up here. All right, SPY, do your thing. I hit the CFVI without 1348. Man, I'm lucky. It wasn't a 1348. You are scaring me. Why? What have I done? SPY. Now they're only up 1%. You caught the top somehow? Kale, there you go, buddy. CFVI put go burr. There you go. Okay, what do we got here? Bull flag on Amy? A little bit. All right. CFVI puts, hold overnight. Hope it fills the gap below. I mean, it easily can. AMC looks frozen. It freezes a little bit. It's about to cross 1348. So let's see. SPY's doing all right over here. You have a 448 call on SPY for the 9th. Should I swing this or cut it up 35%? I can't tell you what to do. You just have to think, not today. I'm proud of you. There you go. Thank you. I appreciate that, Gage. I just got to get used to holding them. But the thing is it easily can go against you too. So this last contract that I have is up 12%. I kind of ditched them when they were really going good. So let's see. I mean, I'm happy I sold when I did, right in the box, which is nice. Can NVIDIA get to 260 this week? I mean, dude, Oxy's ripping right now. Oil moves could pump the SPY really quick. Maybe. Wait, hold on. What did we want? NVIDIA? 260, $10. Yeah, it could do that. It could. I don't know if it's going to, though. Thanks for the CFI news today, bud. CFEI, anytime. That's the thing. I got to figure out how to get the news feed better. Like what, so I can see it more. All right, hold on. I'm probably going to ditch this SPY. Let's see what happens at the, yep. Oh my. It's probably going to come right. Another fishtail. I don't know why I call it a fishtail. It's more like a cattail, but we'll probably take this really soon. Oh man, it doesn't like it. SPY doesn't like it. We're getting out. YOLO, abort. All right, what are we doing? What's going on with this? I'll ditch this right here. All right, successful. Filled on the SPY trade. Probably made, I don't know, average 25, 30%. It wasn't that good, but you know, I mean, I'll take it. I just, what do I use for the news feed? Walter Bloomberg. I have the notifications on Twitter, and then Fast Stock Market News. Yeah, abort. I aborted the SPY. We're done. Whew. All right. That was barely any craziness. Playing any earnings. You know what? I'm feeling spicy. All right. Cheg's up 4. Goes to 45. You'd have to spend. No, I'm not touching this. This is so crazy. Okay, hold on. Let me see if there's another one that I want to trade. How much time do we have? We got a lot of time to do this. Credit Corp T2. Oh, Take Two. Hold on. I didn't even know Take Two was doing this today. What are they pricing in? Actually, first, we need to see how they move on earnings. What is this? Little gap up here from 183 to 193. That's not bad. What about this one? Gap down pretty big. 174 to 161. Not bad. Here, this earnings comes up here a little bit. Not bad. What's this one right here? Little gap down from, ooh, interesting. 210 all the way down to, okay. All right. BP is at the top of a huge run up. Yeah. Literally laughing my ass off. Hold on. Did it come up? All right, cool. I aborted the SPY. We're done. All right, hold on. Options. What are these? No. Take Two pricing in too much. Actually, hold on. Was that 175? What are the 220s for next week? Hold on. 220 and then Well, Activision isn't Take-Two a gaming? So then I would probably want to. What about the 130s? I don't know. Spy is ripping? No, it's not. Liar. Liar. TD Ameritrade on fire. All right. Amy coming down a little bit here, just below 4. Take-Two could be a good one. I don't really like it though. Tenet Health. What's in the morning? Pfizer, BP, Aramark, Warner Music. Let me look at the actual calendar. Is Gensler speaking today? I don't know. Yeah, Spy moving back up here. Not bad. Take-Two. I mean, wait, that's the daily chart. It's not really moving a whole lot today. I don't think anybody. What the hell was this? Was this off Activision? Are you sleeping? Sorry, my dog was making some weird noises over here. He was like, I was like, whoa there, buddy. Chill out. All right, snap back to 25. Liar, TD Ameritrade on fire. All right, does anyone have a good 1348 video they can paste? A YouTuber, go join the free part of the Discord that's in the top here, and then go into the mandatory watch section, and there's a bunch of videos listed out from Gabe. Yeah. Harley Davidson. When is inflation data? I think it's Thursday. Wow, I kind of did good on that Spy. Wow, that was so far really good. Pfizer next and last. I don't know about Pfizer. Yeah. Also, for everybody that's filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys. How do we become a private Discord member? Well, so you can either go and if you're in the free part of the Discord, look at the upgrade to premium section. Jim, thank you so much for the super, buddy. SCV for day trading. Does the value of your account have to be 25K, or do you have to have 25K available to trade? No, you don't have to day trade. Okay, so we're gonna do the little margin account speech again. You only need $25,000 in order to have unlimited day trades if you're in a margin account. If you are not using the benefits of a margin account, like spreads and utilizing the leverage, if you're smart about it and you know what you're doing, then there's no reason for you to be in a margin account. If you're in a cash account, you can trade as many times as you want, day trade, as long as you're trading with settled cash. If you don't, you face what's called a good faith violation, but then they'll just restrict you from buying with unsettled cash. So it's like a fake restriction. So AMC right here, 1494. But Jim Ryan, thank you so much for that super, buddy. I appreciate that, bud. This guy would lead you straight into financial ruin. Oh, cool. Hey, everybody. How was the CFVI play today? How was the Oxy play the other day? How was the 500% of firm? How was the SPY play? How was the Uber? Come on, dude. White Lightning, you should stop complaining and start trading, buddy. What is the settlement time for options? 1 day. You get them the next day. But you can't play options that way? Yes, you can. Hood is tanking. That makes me feel good about today. Yeah, SPY back down. Avocado, you were right on this one. He doesn't talk about his bad calls. That's because I cut the losses at 20%, bro. Every loss is 15 to 20%. You're just trying to pull things out of thin air, buddy. That's literally what you're doing. You guys see me lose all the time. You probably saw me lose on, what do you call it today? What did I lose on today? Cents. I didn't like it. Sold it for a little loss. He talks about his losses when they happen. Dude, every single time I talk about my losses. White Lightning. Bro, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry I kept your girl out too late the other night. I'm very, very sorry. She just likes me better. I apologize. That should be a C-shirt. Stop complaining and start trading. Exactly. People who know already know. Yeah, you guys know the deal over here. SPY coming down. Without depending on a broker, it can be 3 trades per 5 rolling days. Yeah, but that's not the rule though. That's a shitty broker that you shouldn't be on. Wow, Apple, it's probably selling off. Dude, that was dirty on the SPY. That was quick in and out. When your probation is over, you got to come to Florida. Dude, I'm moving to Florida. Theoretically, if Hood goes under, what happens to the apes that have shares of AMC? You'll just get locked up for a little while. You can transfer out, but if you're SIPC insured up to like 250K, so you're fine. Volatility today looks scary. Dude, look at this. We hit like a nasty SPY trade and then just right down. This is literally what I was saying. I was like, they could just rug pull it. And that's kind of what they did. They were just like they just kind of Squid Game tokened the SPY just now. You helped me make money. I lost money when I didn't listen on when to get out. My fault, not yours. You got to follow the rules. It's just 15, 20% stop loss. Live to fight another day. Let the runners run. Very simple. 1348 is very, very simple. It's just crossover 200 EMA, MACD, stochastic if you want to use it, and then put the stop loss there and you're going to be fine. Hood would be bought, not go under. They would, PayPal would probably buy them up. PayPal, Square might buy them, like Block, because they have Cash App, I believe, and you can trade there. Getting icy tonight? Yeah, dude. I've had to go all over the place today. You lost 100 grand today? How'd you do that? Thoughts on Snap? Very volatile right now. Be careful with it. No, I have to have 25K. I don't know why though. That's not the rule. That's a shitty broker that you're on. Like they're being assholes about it. Like like the broker itself sucks. It shouldn't be doing that. Why when you buy calls are their strike prices under the current price? Doesn't that mean they're in the money already? Yeah, you can buy in the money contracts. You're just trading more of the intrinsic value of it versus the extrinsic. The extrinsic's more fun because it can inflate a lot more. I forgot how much cheaper daily SPY options are. I should pay a little more attention to the crosses there. Yeah. Richard, thank you so much for the super MTTR technical analysis. Prices here 25 to 40 for a momentum run. Your opinion? I don't really want to give a price target for it because who the hell knows? But I can tell you what the 1348 looks like on it on the 4 hour. Right now, it looks like it's going to continue down until we see the until we see the 13 EMA cross above the 48. So blue over red, and then potentially a run all the way back up to this 200 EMA right here. It's probably going to continue either coming down or staying flat at this range. That's what I see on like the short term, like a month away. AMC 1494 right now, back down to that price that we were calling out earlier. We got GME down 23 cents. Up 26% on a Robinhood put. There you go. DWAC rug pull. Did it. I told you. Every time as fast as it goes up, it comes down just as fast. Holy shit, rug pull on DWAC. Jeez, man. What the heck happened with this? That is if you bought puts on DWAC, hold on. There might be news. DWAC on watch selling off. That's it. It's just a what do you call it? It's just a notice that it's selling off hard. This is dirty, man. What broker doesn't have that rule? I know Webull doesn't, for sure. TD probably doesn't either. All like I would say, yeah, that's rug pulley right there. What is this? This went from 96 to 89. This might halt. This literally could halt right here if it comes down any lower than 88. SPY trying to make a move back up here. AMC 1497. Peloton leaving the build. Is Peloton coming down now too, or Peloton coming up? Holy Peloton 1348. Honestly, I might. What's the premium like on Peloton? Just because they have earnings coming up. No, I'm not touching it yet. If it sells off and then the premium kind of gets hammered on it, maybe I'll touch it. But I don't like it. Trump pulled his position. Interesting. Most of us don't have that rule. 25K if you want to trade on margin. Yeah, it's just a margin rule. CFVI, so glad I got puts. Is it coming down? Dude, I called the 1348 at 29.64 on Peloton. Yeah, there you go. I mean, that's a big pop there. DWAC getting yeah, dude. DWAC definitely was a misbehaved kid. Yeah, this might halt right here. This might just halt into close. If it drops below 86, it might halt. CFVI puts, is it coming down hard? Wow, look at the volatility on this thing. This is just flickering really hard right here. CFVI, is this thing getting rugged a little bit too? Yeah, CFVI is coming down a little bit. SPY's just kind of flickering here. Keith, where you at, buddy? Where are those CFVI puts? Yeah, CFVI is dumping too. Matrix makers suing Warner over dual release. Yeah, they were doing that before. I love seeing DWAC tank. Why? Fund dropping a bit too. Still up 19%. Yeah. Phone just collapsed. My put smashed it. There you go. First option ever. Put printing. Rogan said, "What's a rumble?" No, he didn't. DWAC emergency crash. Well, yeah. Is it below 86 yet? Yeah, this could halt. Wait, maybe no halts last 30 minutes. Is that a no? That's not a thing. Fun is crashing. High volatility earnings plays tonight. I don't really like anything. We have Chegg, Take Two. That's about it. Peloton. Peloton after close tomorrow. Chipotle. I love me some Chipotle. Chipotle, actually, I might do something. Lyft is all right. Spirit. I mean, they already released some stuff about Frontier and a buyout. Pfizer, BP, Cody. I think Cody is makeup. I'm not sure though. Let's see. Yeah, for everybody filtering in right now, too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. We are almost at 50%, too. Nice. Good job, people. Let's see. Corsair. Is that tonight? No, Corsair's tomorrow. Corsair's up big today, though, I think. Oh, no. Interesting. Little 1348. Decent one over here. Corsair could be a good one. SPY moving down to this 200 right here. You see the SEC charging a social media stock promoter with penny stock fraud. Jesus. How about, yeah, they probably, the thing is that you probably took money and promoted it. You can't do that. I've been offered before to promote stuff. They were like, when I was first starting out on YouTube, I would get emails sometimes that were like, hey, we're going to pay you 10 grand to talk about this. And I was like, fuck no. And then the same stock. This is the other thing. Then Tom Nash made a video about it. And then they offered to pay him like 40 grand. And I was like, damn. I was never going to do it because it's so illegal and you cannot do that. If you get paid to talk about a stock, big no. You cannot do that. Like if a company directly pays you or a media company pays you to talk about a stock to like make sure you're saying positive things about it to your audience in hopes that they buy and push the price up, big no. But I was also like, I wonder how, I think I went back and forth with them once because I was like, how much would they give me? I was like, I kind of just want to see what they do and how much they're handing out to people. And I think mine was like, it was either 10 grand or two. I don't know the number, but I remember that I watched the Tom Nash video where it was like the same stock and the same people asking him too. And they were offered to pay him like 40 grand. And he was like, get out of here with this. Let's see. Guess he was scalping and selling, made over 800 grand. Oh yeah, you can't do that. Oxy didn't do well for me today. I got in earlier, didn't get the gains, and I'm now down, but it's still above the 1348. So I held and now down 25 bucks. Alex, Oxy is actually, where did you get it? Where did you get it? Because Oxy is near the high of the day. It's 9 cents off the high of the day. If you got it here on this cross, like right here, 40.81, you're still probably up a little bit. I don't know what you bought though. You could have gone a little bit further out of the money. I was trying to flip some Chevron calls today and it didn't work out that well, but let's see. I bought when you did earlier. I thought that was here, wasn't it? Oh no, we didn't hit this candle. Maybe it was up here. Wrote it up. I don't remember. Maybe it was down here. I ditched them. I know I sold them because I don't have them. I was like, I don't like it today and just sold it off. I don't know. Did I buy Oxy today? I think I might have and just flipped it quick. And I was like, it lost like $5 or something. All right. Amy selling off. SPY coming down pretty hard here. You got the 42 call for 83 for a weekly. That's got potential. Hold on. News coming through. Oh, DWAC, Truth Social delayed until the end of March. That's why it's coming down. So that's the news on DWAC. Truth Social is delayed until the end of March. So a delay in the production on DWAC. Oh, baby, this thing's coming down. Hold on. What are like the 60 puts for this week? Am I chasing it? Maybe. Oh, they're 80 bucks. Okay, maybe I'll buy a cheap one. Wait, the spreads on this are stupid. The spread on this is ridiculous. All right, I'm going to try to steal one. You're about to buy contracts with unsettled funds. Leave me alone. All right, let's see if this hits. Did it fill me? No. Did it fill me? I'm trying to steal contracts on DWAC right now just to see if it keeps coming down. I don't think they're going to do it. I'll step it up to here. This is my final offer. I will leave this right here. Why are you stepping your offer up to $100 when the stock's coming back up? These people are idiots on the other side of this trade. I'll leave my offer here. Actually, okay, this is stupid. People are being really dumb on the DWAC options chain. Really dumb. Nope. They're trying to pay $80 for a contract that's like $30 out of the money. No, that's not true. SPY puts at 138%. There you go. 42%. There you go. Yeah, so there was a delay in Truth Social. That's why SPY is coming down pretty hard though. So little 1348 cross coming in on SPY here. Interesting. So wrote it up, made a little bit of money, lived to fight another day. DWAC delayed again. Who could have imagined? This is my shocked face. Yeah. The automatic warnings, dude, I love it. It's like, you're about to purchase with unsettled funds. I know. You're about to. I'm like, leave me alone. I know. And then they're like, it takes 2 days to settle. I'm like, no, it doesn't. Took profit. There you go. It's coming down still. Amy coming down 1484. DWAC struggling. DWAC, CFVI, and Fun are all getting hit off of this. How about Intel for earnings? Intel already reported. It was a dud. I played it. Negotiation? What are you talking about, Steven? Let's see. Yeah, DWAC coming back up. The buyers are stepping back in on this thing. So the IV on DWAC is now going to just go through the absolute roof here. SPY selling off here again. So 1348 cross to the downside coming on the 5-minute. Watch that thing start to sell going into tomorrow. What happens when you trade with unsettled funds? Nothing really. They just, if you get a warning, I think the first time, and it's a good faith violation. And then the second time, I think they just restrict you from buying with unsettled cash. So I just wouldn't even have been able to make that trade. They would have been like, sorry, you have to wait. And I would be like, whatever. I sold the firm this morning and bought Microvision. There you go. You expecting to jump on AMC after earnings? It's possible if they report really good earnings. Let's see. It's very possible. And that's only like 4 weeks away ish. Yeah. SPY's down about 0.25% right now. Amy's down, 3%. Where are we at right now? 1487. Okay. You love Lamp? Oh, Trey's Lamp? Yeah, I'll play a firm. I'm pretty sure I'm going to play a firm no matter what on Thursday. Just for this order better have been canceled because they would have filled me on this. No, yeah, we're good. All righty. Yeah, the Truth Social delayed until March. Yep. Loud noises. All right, people. We got about, what is it? 18 minutes left in the market today. SPY's coming down. Amy's trying to get back up here. This market's too crazy. That's why we have 1348. Whew. All right, people. All righty. So, DWAC seems pretty sus at the end of the day. Yeah, DWAC. Oh, yeah, I know. DWAC tanking. DWAC big tank. My dog is sleeping. No halt on DWAC. Yeah, that's kind of weird. That was a big move from 95 to 80. But these are 5-minute candles too. What's up with the firm on Thursday? Earnings after hours. Yeah, out from prison. The 1348 crosses today in the morning were a little bit iffy. The one big trade that we had was news on CFVI. So those were good. Those were 100%. And then SPY calls at the end of the day, still good. Still green on the day. I mean, I've only had one red day with 1348. AMC coming back up, 1490 here. GME, 102.16, down 19 cents. Amy's down 46 cents. SPY's trying to get a little bit of a move back up here. Those are just normal 5-minute candles for AMC. Yeah. All news comes out at the exact time algo kicks in, rig day up. Well, the algos are quick. The algos react quicker than retail can. That's why I have these news feed, like these Twitter accounts that get the news really quick with alerts on my phone. So like when I'm like looking down on my phone over here, I'm like checking the news. So right now, Biden, U.S. ready to continue talks with Russia. Honduran leader of the U.S. list on the U.S. list of corrupt officials. Interesting. So let's see what happens with SPY here. Not having a whole lot of fun. Sends is going to shoot up soon. Easy money. Thank me later. If they get approved, if they don't, then it's going to tank. So be very, very careful. Strangle should be bought right before close if earnings are in after hours. That's when I do it. So it doesn't get out of whack. Let's see. Yeah, Amy's trying to get back above 15 here. Let's see. Yum today. Yum brands or VUM? What is that? Yeah, I'm staying away from CFVI. Keith, I don't know where Keith is, but Keith is probably printed on these CFVI puts. What newsfeed do you use? I use Fast Stock Market News, and then what do you call it? Actually, here's what we'll do. Fast Stock Market News. Here it is right here. This is the good one. This one gets the news the quick. Oh, fast. I kind of know who it is too. Here we go. I'll put the link. Everybody go follow this Twitter account so we can all get the news here quick too. That's Fast Stock Market News or Fast Stock News. My bad. That's a good one. That's a really good news feed right there. And make sure you turn on the notifications too, because then it'll get sent directly to your phone. Smash that like button, you people. Chris, appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, I think that's so I think who it is for that account, that other stream that I used to watch all the time, Stock Market Live and the Trading Fraternity, who basically that's how I learned these earning strategies. I think it's somebody that in his chat or one of his moderators who that Twitter account is. So really solid source of news over there. That's how I got the CFVIs. Yeah, it's Troy. I'm pretty sure it's Troy. That's who I thought it was. 1493. Spy selling off. Yeah, definitely. Definitely give that Twitter account a follow if you want the news. There's that one. There's Walter Bloomberg's good. I think there's a couple of other ones, but these two are my favorite. They get them the quickest. You're up 20% on my put. There you go, Keith. Sold my ASTR as I topped out and averaged on. There you go. Love trading for it. Dude, Josh is the best. That's how, like, I knew a decent amount about options before listening to his streams, but going over and listening every day for like a year, that's how I learned. That's how I figured out a lot of this stuff. So shout out to Josh. Definitely go. If you guys want to learn about options and stuff, he's got a lot of videos about them. They're all really good. Definitely go check them out. I'm just learning about the 1348. Dude, 1348 is deadly. Let's see. SV, you are my Josh? No. There is only one Josh. All right. Spy coming down here. DWAC just getting hammered. The two YouTube accounts, Trading Fraternities, the videos, and then Stock Market Live is what do you call it? The streaming channel. Let's see. DraftKings cross. Interesting. All right. Spy moving down here a little bit. It's just kind of flickering here. Institutions trying to dump bags on retail again. They always tend to do that. Let's see. Bitcoin hits 48. Do we get ankles? No, you do not. Sorry. And only one squirrel the VIX. 30% on CFVI puts. Yeah, I hit it 100% on that initial candle, and I was like, yeah, I'm out. 1348, not my favorite today. Hopefully tomorrow's better. Down $60 now. Alex, stop loss, buddy. 20%. That's how I do it all the time. 15-20% stop loss. If it doesn't go in my favor, I'm out, unless it was SPY today where I know it's gonna run into the close. Like, I've seen these happen so many times where I was like, I didn't put very much money into it, and I'm just like, all right, well, I'm fine with taking a little bit more of a loss because I barely put anything into it. And I was like, up, down, and then it just rips up here. Sold two of the contracts up here, sold the other one, I think, down here. I mean, it wasn't that crazy. I was sweating over here. Or Uber 1348 put just printed. There you go. There you go. Let's see. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot over here. Done for the day. There you go. Did 2 calls on a cross up, 2 puts on a cross down. There you, buddy. All right. DWAC still coming down. Buying 2 a day keeps the hedgies away. There you go. Geez, that's generous. I do 10%. You can get your stops hit really quick if you're doing 10%. Unless you're trading like further in the money contracts. ATVI crossing now, tapping the 200. It's the end of the day. I'm done for the day here with trades. I would do an earnings play if there was something else. I mean, we hit the Facebook. That was dirty. So I'm just kind of chilling. Maybe Peloton, maybe Chipotle. Corsair has my eye on it. Lyft also does too. I like Lyft. Definitely Disney. Just because of what Amy getting a pop here. Hold on. SPY's just randomly coming up. Amy's trying to get back up above 15. DWAC sucking right now. Where's BBIG? Down 3%. GME. Okay. Bunch of head fakes today. Yeah, all over the place. My shares got assigned last week. Guess I have money to buy back AMC and more shares. Yeah, man. I mean, you're kind of playing with fire with covered calls, but I mean, at the end of the day, it's up to you. What do you think on Peloton earnings? Up or down? It doesn't matter. I don't care where it goes. I just need it to move. That's how I trade earnings. Sense testing the high of the day. Yeah. Yep. Sense coming up. It's 60. Yeah, it's close. It's pretty close. So SPY's trying to come back up here. Amy's trying to get above 15. Made 120 this morning and now up 50. Hey, man. I mean, at least you're green. Just bought an NFT for $8 and sold it for 200. See, this is why I got to get into NFTs. Up 51%, but I want 100%. AMC, my real initials. Very careful. Be careful. SCV wisely saying AMC is a done deal because he wants people to watch him. It's fine. I mean, he pulls a lot of audience and keeps people interested, which is good. It's just the information is just not there. It's entertainment. You got to know what it is and what it isn't. When a broker calls come in trying to think ahead, was watching margin call, not skilled at negotiating, much less. No. They're not going to be doing. I highly doubt they're going to be doing stuff like that. That would be craziness. Be careful, AMC, my real initials. That thing could rip tomorrow if there's any Rogan news that comes out. SPY did not like that little green candle and said, fuck it, and just went down. Pfizer goodbye since earnings tomorrow? No. Guys, I'll say this again. Never, ever, 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 ever play earnings one way. Every single time. I'll say it every time. Don't play earnings one way. What happened to Facebook? Bad earnings. Well, not that bad. The market just hated their earnings. Like, hated. Let's see. Was that a blue? Oh, no. Amy, 1487. They probably went DWAC up and then sold all their shares and then announced the delay news so they could buy out back. No. They announced it first. Actually, you might be right because I didn't see the news on it come out until after. We need to select one random ass earnings call for SCV to play. We can if you want to. What is it? Which one do you... I won't do it if it doesn't make sense. Like, I'm not just going to start randomly putting money at YOLO plays. Zuckerberg crying right now. Any big plays in unusual whales? I don't typically use them. It's too much information overload for me. Boom bot more got my average down to 21. There you go, Chris. How do you play SPY 2 ways? You buy puts and you buy calls. But right now, SPY is coming down. I like those bulls. That is on my logo too. I do like the bulls. I need the ankles over there, and we do need squirrels for the member badges too. We need to get squirrels on there. That'll be the 3-month one. You can get a squirrel badge. Close out 3 options today, up 100%. My last one was PayPal just now. There you go. Are there 1348 videos in the free Discord? Well, yeah, they're on Gabe's page, but they're all listed, Review Dork's page, but they're all listed out in the free Discord. It's just easier to find. Let's see. Biden, if Russia invades, there will no longer be Nord Stream. I don't really know what that is, but market on close imbalance, 447 million to the buy side. Doesn't look like that. SPY calls tomorrow it is then? I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Excuse my temporary dyslexia. Thank you for the answer. Patrick, anytime, buddy. Let's see. So Amy coming down a little tiny bit here. Not all that much fun. Sense is coming up, testing that high of the day over here, 368. SPY is getting busted up. Busted up after that nice little run that we were on. Honestly, playing SPY on the way down would have been much better than riding this nonsense up and being stressed out about it. But I can't enter any contracts that expire that day on after 2. So had to do it. Snap left the building. Where'd it go? Oh, wow. We only got 5 minutes left. Sends at the high of the day. Here we go. Snap coming up. No, hammered. Amy, 1489. Facebook better make some VR glasses or something. Google already tried that. It didn't go well for them. Let's see. Appreciate what you do here for everybody. Anytime, Henry. Why not BP earnings? Damn it. Oh, look. How do they move? That's the thing. It's how do they move on earnings? What's this? 28, 20. Nope. What's this? 24, 25. With oil the way it is, what are they pricing in? It's in the morning too. I typically don't like morning earnings plays. So it's pricing in, let's just call it $1.25 or 1.27 divided by, no, hold on. No, that's like 180. 1.8 divided by 33, 32, 5%. Nah, I don't like it. There's just two. I don't think BP is a big enough mover to be like, it's gonna run. I just don't like it. You guys can do it if you want to. If you hit it, good for you. I'm just not gonna touch that one. What do I have against save? Nothing. You're chasing it though. Why are you chasing it? Why do you want to chase this thing? Look, it's not really done a whole lot today. Let's see. The new guy. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Thanks, sir. Love the energy and all you do for this crew. Cheers to only better days. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for that super chat, buddy. I appreciate that. The release date news is 3 days old. For what? For DWAC? Interesting. So they're selling off. They're just selling it. Interesting. Why did SPY just shank? I don't know. Probably Biden speaking about some stuff spooked the market. It also ran up into this range and then the sellers just took over. Your time is greatly appreciated. KB, thank you. Do you see the SEC tweet that they charged a social media influencer for pumping penny stocks? I didn't see that, but that's crazy. SPY puts printing, not gonna lie. There you go. Because they're talking about war. Yeah. So what about LMT? What are those do? Boeing. What did Boeing do on that? Sold off. LMT sold off. I mean, you're not seeing the war plays really come into effect yet. Talking about war with Russia. Yeah, that's not going to help us. Yeah. Also, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. You guys are pretty good today, though, on it. Not bad. Not bad. You were up 900% on my save contract, sir, and I didn't chase. Well, okay. But look, it didn't really, what's the 24 to 25? Like, you can't, why would I like look at this now? Like, it's already made the move. It's already done it. Like, it's fine. That's a great trade. Like 900% is dirty. That is a really, really solid trade. But like for everybody else right now, if I pull this up and they see 16% green, they're going to be like, oh my God, should I buy calls on it? It's like, no. Don't do that. Don't chase. Good news on war, so it's not bad. Tell that to the SPY. Boom, boom on sends. Interesting. Let's see what we got. Yep. New day highs on sends, 370 coming up. Those would have been some good contracts if I held them earlier, but I just didn't like it. Yeah, I should have held my sends until now. Yeah, I wasn't feeling the whole diamond hand on the sends. I just didn't like it. Express popping again. 14%, not bad. Boom before close on what? SPY's trying. It's not. I mean, we got 1 minute left, so let's see. Looking for good reversion plays. I don't think you're going to see it. I mean, it came up a little bit off of Snap, but it didn't really do a whole lot. Express coming up here a little too. Amy 1491. Is it safe to hold Oxy until tomorrow morning? I don't want to waste a day trade. I haven't made my account cash yet. Alex, oil is starting to come down. BP has earnings in the morning too. So if BP reports good earnings, then you might come up. You're kind of YOLOing it on British Petroleum right now. So I'd be careful with that. The safe play would be to cut the loss, but you also, it's possible that BP rips on earnings and then all of the oil plays just go. So you got to weigh that. You have it's all closed now. So ding, ding, ding. Market is closed. 1491 on AMC close, down 2.9%. Not what we really wanted. So we got the SPY down about $1.46, 1/3% on the day. Exactly. GME 102.16. All righty, people. So that is going to wrap up the stream for today. I got to go pick up my mom at the airport. So I probably don't think I will be making a video tonight. I might be able to right now, but I don't know. We'll see. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for an awesome day. Shout out to all of the members, the mods, everybody that's just being positive. Thank you guys so much. Again, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. If you do want to learn more about the 1348 strategy that everybody's printing with right now, make sure you join the free section of the Discord up above. It'll just help you learn. Definitely when you're ready for premium, we'd love to have you, but learn the strategy first. Don't go willy-nilly just like trying to play the alerts if you don't know what you're doing. It's not going to work out for you. You have to learn the strategy, figure it out. I'll be in the Discord later if you guys want to hang out. And for everybody that does have the premium Discord, me, Gabe, and TMI will be doing that live stream tonight for all the premium members. So watch out for that. I think it's going to be at 9 Eastern. So other than that, guys, thank you so much for an awesome day. Make sure you hit that like on the way out, and peace.